Okay, all of you, very good evening. Very good evening, all of you. We are set for the day. Yes. Uh, good evening. Good evening, Abhay, Akshay, Rahul, Karthik, Dushyant, Jagruti, Kapil, Piyush. Very good evening, all of you there. I hope the screen is visible. I hope the screen is visible. And you might have got, we actually did till yesterday, we did around 210 question. 210 क्वेश्चन तक हमने कर लिया था कल. ठीक है. Then what happened? Then from 211 till 300, that is something that is something that is something you had to do as an assignment. They are a comparatively an easy one. आपको मिल गया होगा assignment, आपको आंसर भी मिल गया होगा explanation के साथ. ठीक है. My surname is नानकानी सोनू. ठीक है. That's not my surname that you're typing. आपको आंसर्स भी मिल गए होंगे, आपके एक्सप्लेनेशन भी मिल गया होगा आपको. ठीक है. इज इट क्लियर? यस. पीयूष, साहिल, सिद्धार्थ, विनोद, कपिल, जागृति, दुष्यंत, कार्तिक, आई होप यू गॉट दैट. है ना? So today we have to cover what? We have to cover mapping of India as well as world. We have around 70 questions to go for today. ठीक है. We have, no, it's part of Eastern Ghats. Akshay, it's part of Eastern Ghats. ठीक है. It's part of Eastern Ghats. All of you. Can we start off the session? Can we start off the session? All of you there with me? Yes. So let's focus first on question number 301. Let's read the question. With reference to Antarctic, consider the following statement. It has copper and iron resource. Madrid Protocol permits scientific research and commercial exploitation of mineral resources in Antarctic. Maitri, and India's permanent hill station, is situated on the rocky mountainous region called as Shimachar Oasis. It is situated on Shimachar Oasis. That's the first question that we have for day. It's about Antarctica. It's about Antarctica. So all of you there, yes. Let's look at this question. And all of you, how many? What is your answer? I'm waiting for you. I'm here. Yes. Not visible? Is it not? It's visible, Sonu. Visible here. ठीक है. 301. 301. Akshay, I've got your answer. You can also take, Sonu, you can also take the PDF from the Telegram channel. ठीक है. Official Telegram channel से आप PDF ले सकते हैं, सोनू. In case you think that it's difficult to concentrate like that. ठीक है. I get the answers. Siddharth, okay. Akshay, Vijay, Priyanka, Piyush, Abhay. Yes, the answer is, yes, the answer is B. 1 and 3 only. Basically, lot of resources are found. Lot of resources are found in the loss of resources are found in Antarctica. You have silver, gold, cobalt, copper, chromium, iron, manganese. सारे मिलते हैं आपको. तो statement 1 correct है. और जो मैड्रिड प्रोटोकॉल है वो अलाउ नहीं करता है. मैड्रिड प्रोटोकॉल एक्चुअली डज नॉट परमिट, इट्स प्रोहिबिट्स. इट प्रोहिबिट्स. ठीक है. इट प्रोहिबिट्स ऑल द एक्टिविटीज. इट प्रोहिबिट्स ऑल द कमर्शियल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ द मिनरल्स. सो इट प्रोहिबिट्स कमर्शियल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ द मिनरल. नहीं, वो प्रोहिबिट करता है. इंडिया का जो रिसर्च स्टेशन है दैट इज मैत्री. yes, it is established on the शिचमार शरमैचर्स ओएसिस. तो शरमैचर ओएसिस में इंडिया का आपको परमानेंट स्टेशन मिलेगा, मैत्री. ठीक है. कैन वी स्टार्ट डूइंग द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? 302. 302. Which of the following is a double landlocked country? कौन सी जो है वो double landlocked country है? Which of the following is the double landlocked country? Uzbekistan, Austria, Turkmenistan, South Sudan. Yes, no commercial exploitation. Correct. Which of the following is double landlocked country? पहले तो what is a double landlocked country? This is a country. This is another country, let's say. This is another country. This country A. Okay. So let's basically a landlocked country, that is, we understand what is landlocked. Landlocked has no access to sea. Has no access to sea. Double landlocked is double landlocked. It is a country surrounded by landlocked countries. Country surrounded by landlocked country. Okay. So there are only two. Today's handout, where can I find? It is there in the Telegram channel, Sushant. Telegram channel में है, available है. जो आपका official Telegram channel होता है. That's there. Let me just help you out there once more. I'll give you the proper name. Okay, 1 second. Official Level Up IS official channel. Official channel में PDF जहाँ रोज जाता है वहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. 302. What is a double landlocked country? A double landlocked country is a country surrounded by landlocked countries. So it is surrounded by the landlocked countries. Only two countries in the world are double landlocked. One is Switzerland. And the other landlocked country. No, not Switzerland, sorry. Only two countries. One is your Liechtenstein. One is the Liechtenstein in Europe. Okay, Liechtenstein in Europe. And the other is your Uzbekistan. The answer is A. The answer is A. Yes, education for all. Namaste. Yes, the answer is A. South Sudan landlocked है, double landlocked नहीं. सिर्फ दो country है in the world, Liechtenstein in Europe, वो surrounded है by Switzerland and Austria, और Uzbekistan जो है that is surrounded by Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan and Tajikistan. ठीक है? ठीक है? Clear? Okay. Now let's look at this question. Question 302. The answer is A. Okay. Yes. Priyanka, Akshay, Tanushri, correct. Question 303. If a person wants to go from Ladakh to Chennai, which is the minimum number of states the person will cross during the journey, excluding the starting destination. Or you don't have to count Ladakh, you don't have to count Chennai. So from Ladakh, you have to go to Chennai. What is the minimum number? Yes, education forum. What is the minimum number of states that you will have to cross? The minimum number of states that you will cross. So from Ladakh, where will you go? Till where? That's what is the question. And how many states are there in between? How many states are there in? How many states are there in between? Think about it. From Ladakh, where will you go? And how many states are there? 303. The answer you are getting is, don't simply write B, C, D. Up states bhi bataएं Vijay. Siddharth, also write the states. Dushyant, also write the states. कैस्पियन सी ओशन नहीं है बच्चे, कैस्पियन सी लेक है. वो इतना बड़ा है कि इसलिए उसको सी कहते हैं. कैस्पियन सी इज अ लेक. नीलम, इट्स नॉट अ सी. ठीक है, वो सी नहीं है, वो लेक है. Also write the states, no, Abhay? Also write states, otherwise how will I know कि आपने क्या किया है, कैसे ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. लद्दाख से आप जाएंगे हिमाचल प्रदेश, हिमाचल प्रदेश से आप जाएंगे उत्तर प्रदेश, बॉर्डर शेयर करता है. हेलो सर, मैं होस्ट से हट गई हूँ, आपको मुझे होस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा. डेवलपर सर, मैं वो एक सेकंड के लिए शायद वो हुआ, ग्लिच हुआ. हाँ हाँ हाँ. अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक है. Yes, all of you, all of you, not visible, technical error, don't worry, we are there, we are back, we are back. All of you, we are back. Now it's good. Yes, now it's good. We were looking at the states here. We were looking at the states here. Yes, now it's fine. Okay, okay. Yes, there was one issue there. So no, you will have to go. You will not. You cannot go. You cannot go from Chhattisgarh to Andhra Pradesh directly. आप छत्तीसगढ़ से आंध्र प्रदेश डायरेक्टली नहीं जा सकते. आप छत्तीसगढ़ से आंध्र प्रदेश डायरेक्टली नहीं जा सकते. आपको छत्तीसगढ़ से आपको या तो उड़ीसा जाना पड़ेगा या तो तेलंगाना जाना पड़ेगा. Hence the answer is what? Hence the answer is 5. Hence the answer is 5. The correct answer for 303. For 303 it's 5. From HP, the idea here is from HP you are moving towards UP, towards Chhattisgarh. Either you go to Telangana, Odisha, or you go to, and then you can go to Andhra Pradesh. I'm fine. I'm fine, Sai. So the answer is 5. All of you, this was a question on a similar line that UPSC has asked कि आपको कोटायम से कोहिमा जाना है तो आप कैसे ट्रैवल करेंगे, how will you travel. So moving on to question number 304. Moving on to question number 304. All of you there? Yeah. 304. If I say 304, which of the following lakes of Africa are drained by Nile river system? कौन से जो lakes हैं जो drain होते हैं by Nile river system? The lakes, Lake Victoria, Lake Tana, Lake Nyasa. Select the correct answer using the code given below. You will have to that which of them are drained by drift by your Nile River? No, Abhay, no. ठीक है, अगर आप केयरफुली देखेंगे मैप्स को तो आपको दिखेगा. अच्छा, some of them they show Andhra Pradesh, some of them they simply show Odisha. So ठीक है, यहाँ पे 5 था, यहाँ पे 5 था. ठीक है. Yes, Pranchu, and some of the map it is shown. Yes, in some of the map shown. In some of the map it is shown. In some of the map it is not shown. ठीक है. So अगर 4 होता तो 4, यहाँ 5 था. That ways. चलो, let's come to question number 304. Let's come to question number 304. Which of the following lakes of Africa are drained by Nile River system? कौन से हैं जो Nile River system से drain होते हैं? Lake Victoria, Lake Tana, Lake Nyasa. The answer is 1 and 2 only. The answer is 1 and 2 only. ठीक है. So if I talk about the lakes drained by Nile, basically Nile comes. There are two tributaries of Nile. One is White Nile, the other is Blue Nile. ठीक है. White Nile basically is the head water, वो Nile की ही है. Blue Nile से काफी पानी आता है. White Nile flows through Victoria. White for Victoria, Queen Victoria, white, therefore White Nile. ठीक है. Blue Nile starts with Tana. ठीक है, and it flows through Sudan. Both White Nile and Blue Nile, they meet at a place called as Khartoum. They both meet at the place called as Khartoum. So white is known for Victoria, Queen Victoria. So remember White Nile, and blue, it's your Tana, Lake Tana. So answer is what? Answer is 1 and 2. Galwan Valley. Now coming to question number 305. Question number 305. Priyanka, exalted soul, correct. Akshay, you are correct. Fine. Jagruti. Vinod, no, it's not C. It's not 1 and 3. It's 1 and 2. ठीक है, चलो आ जाते हैं. Now question number 305. Dushyant, 305. Galwan Valley, sometimes the news is made up by Galwan River. To which of them is this tributary? Galwan River. हाँ, कैस्पियन सी टच करता है, पर कैस्पियन सी लेक है ना तुषार, कैस्पियन सी लेक है. इट इज नॉट अ सी. ठीक है. यस, Galwan Valley sometimes in news is made by Galwan River. To which of the following is it? It's the tributary. Galwan किसकी tributary है? Indus, Shyok, Nubra and Jhelum. Indus, Shyok, Nubra and Jhelum. Indus, Shyok, Nubra and Jhelum. Yeah, 305. 305. There's a river, Galwan River, that flows from Aksai Chin. ठीक है. And it flows to join which river? It flows to join the Shyok River. It flows to join the Shyok River. Answer 305. The answer is Shyok. Yes, exalted soul. The answer is Shyok. So it is going to join the Shyok River. Comes from Aksai Chin. It comes from Aksai Chin. Okay? And it goes and finally meets the Shyok River. 305. The answer is B. Moving on. Look at this question. 306. Look at question number 306. Which of the following are located in Iran? Which of the following are located in Iran? Shahbar, Hajijak, Zaranj, Zahedan, Irbil. Which of the following are located in Iran? 1, 2, 3, 1 and 4, 2, 3, 5, 1, 4 and 5. Three zero six. 306. 306. Similar question UPSC has asked. ऐसा ही इसी लाइन पे यूपीएससी ने पूछा हुआ है. चाहबार जो रेलवे है, ठीक है, वो कनेक्ट करेगा चाहबार टू जाहिदान. जाहिदान से फिर लिंक होती है जरांज और दिलाराम. ठीक है, तो चाहबार कहाँ है? चाहबार इज ऑन ईरान. सो द आंसर हैज टू इंक्लूड वन, सो दिस कैन नॉट बी द आंसर. ठीक है, हजीजक माइंस इज इन अफगानिस्तान. Zaranj is in Afghanistan. Delaram is in Afghanistan. Zahidan again in Iran. Irbil, Irbil is in Iraq. Irbil is in Iraq. What is the answer? The answer is Chahbar, and the answer is Chahbar and Iran. Zahidan. The answer is 1 and 4. नहीं, जाहिदान, हाँ जाहिदान. जरांज नहीं, जरांज नहीं. जरांज दिलाराम हाईवे वो अफगानिस्तान का है. ठीक है, तो चाहबार से चाहबार एंड जाहिदान इज इन ईरान. ठीक है, एक्चुअली जो बन रहा है वो बन रहा है चाहबार से. इट विल गो टू जरांज, इट विल गो टू दिलाराम. तो ये जरांज और दिलाराम जो है वो दोनों, ये दोनों अफगानिस्तान में है, और चाहबार जो है वो ईरान में. सो चाहबार ईरान में. क्लियर? सो द आंसर इज 306. 306. Which one of the following rivers in India crosses Tropic of Cancer twice? Which of the following rivers in India cuts Tropic of Cancer twice? कौन सी रिवर है इंडिया में ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर को 2 बार कट करती है? इट्स अ इजी वन. इट्स अ इजी वन. ठीक है, यस विनोद, करेक्ट आंसर. करेक्ट आंसर अक्षय. ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. हाँ, इंडियन मैपिंग भी तो हो रहा है साथ में. ये सिद्धार्थ, इट्स देयर. दिस इज इंडियन मैपिंग ओनली. Which of the following rivers in India cuts Tropic of Cancer twice? You have we have Mahi River. Mahi River is the one that cuts Tropic of Cancer twice. बेतुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आती है और फिर ऐसे कट करती है और एक बार ऐसे कट करती है. सो बेतुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आती है, कट करती है, गल्फ ऑफ खंबत में जाके वो ड्रेन करती है. सो आंसर, दिस वाज एन इजी वन. 307. आंसर इज माही. क्लियर? ओके, लुक एट दिस. Which of the following water bodies, which of the following water bodies in India are endorheic in nature? Which of the following water bodies in India are endorheic in nature? Yes. What do we mean by endorheic water body? Endorheic basically means that does not drain into ocean. Do not drain into the ocean. That do not drain into the ocean. ठीक है. You can keep your atlas in front of you. You can keep your atlas in front of you in case as we move up, आप वर्ल्ड मैप, वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिकल साथ में रख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिकल और इंडिया पॉलिटिकल साथ में रखेंगे तो काम आई थिंक विल बी डन. 308. 308. क्वेश्चन नंबर 308. Some of the examples are, one is Somurari. Yes, Somurari is there. So the answer can be either B or C. Now, to take into consideration, other one, you have what is the answer? The answer here is C. Answer here is C. You have Lake Chad, Somorari, and you have Aral Sea. Aral Sea was a easier one. Aral Sea is between which two? It is there between Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. So काउ करके याद करते हैं. Aral Sea is between Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. It is by cow. KAU. So Aral Sea is endoric. 4 has to be there. 4 इसमें से गया, इसमें से गया. So what else? And you also know Somorari. It's there. This one. Answer is what? The answer is C for cat. The answer is C for cat. So Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, Luni River. ठीक है? These are endoric. Pangong So, Somorari. ये सब एंडोरिक हैं. ये जाके ओशन को नहीं मिलती है. ठीक है? तो जो जनरली एंडोरिक लेक होते हैं, दे आर सॉल्टी लेक. They are salty lake. It's generally salty. Pangong So, Somorari, Sambar, Aral, Caspian, these. ठीक है? Okay. Now moving on to the question. Look at this question. Recently, Whitsun Reef. There is a coral reef that was there in news. Recently, Whitsun Reef was there in news. I'm referring to this question. Whitsun Reef was there in news. It is located in which of the following? Whitsun Reef kahan pe hai? It is located where? Spratly Island, Lakshadweep Island, Andaman Nicobar, offshore region of Queensland. Offshore region of Queensland. Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? Yes. Yes, अगर जाके ओशन को नहीं मिल रही है तो, अगर ओशन को नहीं मिल रही है तो सुशांत, Luni does not go and meets the ocean. It drains somewhere near Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch. Endoric is something that does not drain into the ocean. Yes, you can use it for rivers also. You can use it for rivers also. Yes. Question number 309. Question number 309. 309. The answer is, it is somewhere, yes, it is there near the Spratly Island. It is there near the Spratly Island. It is basically, it was there in news with respect to South China Sea issue. Recently what happened, Philippines ने China accuse किया क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा कि बहुत सारी boats, ठीक है, there was lot of military boats that were spotted in South China Sea, ठीक है, so it was there in news. It is one of the largest reefs of the in South China Sea. So this was there in news there. No. Look at this question. This is the India map. Consider the following statement. Consider the following statement. Consider about the protected areas. Consider the following statement about the protected areas. You have some protected areas like we have Bandhavgarh National Park, which is spread over which hills? Kanha is in which hills? Balfakram is in which hills? Kanha, Balfakram. बांधवगढ़ कौन से स्टेट में है, कान्हा कौन से स्टेट में है, बालफाक्रम कौन से स्टेट में, थिंक अबाउट इट एंड देन ट्राई टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. 310 310 ठीक है, 310. I don't know what does endohaline. Where have you read the word endohaline? I don't know. I have not heard the word endohaline. Endohaline नहीं हमने कभी ये word सुना है, तो I can't say. Yes, 310, all of you. 310. The answer is 310. The answer is only 2 is correctly mapped. Only 2 is correctly matched. Okay. This is there in Bandhavgarh, is there in Vindhya. This is correctly matched. Kanha is basically in the Maikal range. How many of them are correctly matched? The question is how many of them are correctly matched? The answer is C here. All 3 of them are correctly matched. Bandhavgarh is in Vindhyas, Kanha is in Maikal, and your Balpakram is in the Garo Hills. All of them are correctly matched. 310. The answer is C. C for cat. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे first interstate tiger reserve, tiger relocation project was there. ठीक है, but it got failed. It was between Bandhavgarh and Kanha. ठीक है, so it was not successful. Bandhavgarh is in Vindhya range in the Madhya Pradesh. Balpakram in Garo Hills in Meghalaya, and Kanha is in the Maikal range of Satpur. That's the correct answer. The answer is C. C for cat. Now look at this. Consider the following rivers. Consider the following rivers. Pennar, Shimsha, Amravati. Pennar, Shimsha, Amravati, Vaigai. Which of the following are tributaries of Kaveri River? Which of them are the tributaries of Kaveri? कौन tributaries हैं Kaveri River? It's a easy one. 311 seems to be an easy one. बताओ Kaveri River की tributaries कौन सी हैं? That you can tell. Mm-hmm. 311. 311. 311. The answer is Sushant. Okay. Sunil, I get your answer. Tanushri, Abhay Gupta. The answer is D. If you take into consideration Kaveri River, Kaveri starts from Talla Kaveri near Brahmagiri Hills, and it drains into the Bay of Bengal. The tributaries of Kaveri are Amravati, Shimsha, Bhavani, Noyal, Kabini, Hemavati. These are the tributaries of Kaveri. Shimsha, Hemavati, Arkavati, Lakshman Tirth, Kabini, Bhavani, Noyal, Amravati. Vaigai उसके नीचे है जो पार्क स्ट्रेट में ड्रेन करती है. So 4 is a definite no answer. 4 can be eliminated. Pennar is another river that is there in your southern India. Basically वो कर्नाटका और आंध्र प्रदेश में से आती है. It comes from Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and it flows into Bay of Bengal. So Pennar is not a tributary of Kaveri. Hence the answer is 2 and 3. तो आप सिद्धार्थ सारी जो लड़कियों के नाम है ना वही ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं कावेरी की. हेमावती, भवानी, काबिनी, अमरावती, जितनी भी लड़कियों के नाम है, शिमशा. ठीक है, ओके. वैगई तो आपको पता होगा, वैगई तमिलनाडु की है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर है. इट वाज फ्लडेड इन 2017, 18, 16, 17. It was there in news then, and it is a separate river. That is given in all of the maps. ठीक है, so that's your river Kaveri. Let's look at this Arctic Council. Let's look at the question related to Arctic Council. Arctic Council is an intergovernmental forum that addresses issues faced by the Arctic and indigenous people of Arctic. So what is the problem faced by Arctic and the indigenous people of Arctic? 8 territories with the territories in Arctic are members of the Arctic Council. There are 8 countries with a territory. नोयल लड़की नहीं, ठीक है, ओके फाइन. तो एक नोयल आपको लड़का लगता है तो वैसे याद कर लो, एक ही लड़का है बाकी सारी लड़कियां हैं. ठीक है विजय. तो आर्कटिक काउंसिल intergovernmental forum है, address that addresses the issue faced by the Arctic and the indigenous people of Arctic. There are 8 countries. Himadri is India's first permanent Arctic research station. India का पहला research Arctic station जो है, that is your this one. All of you there, tell me. 1, 2, and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2, and 3. Come on, all of you there. Aajo. 312. Okay, Abhay, I get your answer. Sunil, I get your answer. Siddharth, I get your answer. Fine. Okay, Abhay. The answer is 1, 2, and 3. The answer is 1, 2, and 3. All of the above statements are correct. It is an intergovernmental forum that addresses the issue faced by Arctic and the indigenous people of Arctic. There are 8 countries. The 8 countries are Denmark, USA, Russia, Norway, Finland, Sweden, Iceland, Canada. So there are 8 countries. If you remember, if you look at the map, you will get it. The USA, Canada, Denmark, Norway, Finland, Sweden, Russia are the members of the Arctic and the Iceland तो जहां से आपका Arctic Council पास होता है वही countries इसकी member है. हिमाद्री इंडिया का पहला permanent research station है. The answer is 312. The answer is D. Look at this question. 312. Sunil, Siddharth, Akshay, Rishabh. Yes, you've given me the right answer there. Okay, somebody has also made a mnemonic. The mnemonic that is there for Arctic Council is curd and fins. It is curd and fins. Okay? No, not UK, USA. Not UK, US. Okay. Now, consider the following statement. Consider the following statement regarding Sankarapani River. Regarding the Sankarapani River. It originates on the western slope in the Jinji Hills in Tamil Nadu. It flows southeastward and merges into Kaveri, which further drains into the Bay of Bengal. 313. 313. Sankarapani. It is also known, अच्छा you don't know, 314, 313. Sankarapani को आप Jinji River भी कहते हो. It is also known as Jinji River. Yes, it originates on the western slope of Jinji. Jinji River से originate करती है, Jinji River के western slope से, and then north, south, west, east ऐसे flow करती है south east direction में, और ये आपकी Bay of Bengal में जाके मिलती है. I thought you will be able to eliminate at least the second option, क्योंकि हमने देखा कि कावेरी की ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन सी है. हमने कावेरी की ट्रिब्यूटरीज में हमने संकरापारनी रिवर नहीं देखा था. Yes, correct. Piyush, you are guessing it correct. The answer is what? The answer is it is rises on the Jinji Hills of Tamil Nadu, इसलिए इसको जिंजी रिवर भी कहते हैं. It does not merge into Kaveri. It actually finally merges into Bay of Bengal. It finally merges into Bay of Bengal. So it flows like this, southeast direction, but it is merging into Bay of Bengal. Okay, इसको जिंजी रिवर कहते हैं और ये पुडुचेरी के पास है. न्यूज में क्यों था? क्योंकि पुडुचेरी गवर्नमेंट रिक्वेस्टेड to linking Sankarapari river with another river in the South India. So So the two rivers that were there in news with respect to south. All of you, let's look at this question. Let's look at question number 314. Let's look at question number 314. Consider the following pairs. Yes. Consider the following pairs of rivers. Consider the following pairs of reservoir and dams. Dams और reservoir की बात करते हैं. Chungthang Dam, Umiam Dam, Mulchi Dam. Mulchi Dam, Umyang Dam, and Chungthang Dam. Which of the following is correctly matched? Which of the following is correctly matched? Chungthang Dam news में था. Chungthang Dam was there in news. Mulchi, Umyang Dam. उमियाम डैम फेमस है. उमियाम डैम फेमस डैम है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. ठीक है. और चुंगथांग जो था वो न्यूज में था. और मुलशी डैम आप नाम से समझ सकते हैं शायद. Three, 1, 4. The answer is okay. Siddharth, Sunil, Piyush, I get your answers. I get your answers. चुंगथांग सिक्किम वाला है. Yes. चुंगथांग सिक्किम वाला है. Chungthang is there in Sikkim. And Umyam is there in Meghalaya. Umyam is there in Meghalaya. Both of them are wrong. 1 and 2 are wrong. 3 only, that is Mulchi Dam. Mulchi Dam is correctly located. Mulchi Dam is in Maharashtra. It is there in Pune. Pune district में. Yes, GLOF आया था. Correct. GLOF आया था. Chungthang Dam. The only answer that is correctly matches only 1. So Umyam Dam जो है, it is there in Meghalaya, and Mulchi Dam is in Pune. ठीक है. So answer is A for apple. Answer is A for apple. Let's look at this question. Consider the following statements. There is a protected area that is given. There's a protected area that is given, and there is a state. There are states that are given. So you have to tell which of them are correct. Protected areas and the states that are given. Protected area and the states. So Bhitarkanika, Bandipur, and Kuno National Park. Bhitarkanika National Park, Bandipur National Park, Kuno National Park. Which of them are correctly matched? It's an easy one. 315 वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो इजी क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है. कौन सा सही से मैच्ड है? Yes, Siddharth, I get your answer. Piyush, I get your answer. Akshay, Abhay. The answer is none of the above. Bhitarkanika कहाँ पे? Bhitarkanika is in Odisha. जहाँ पे रिवर ब्रह्मणी और बैतरनी फ्लो करते हैं. ठीक है. बांदीपुर इज देयर इन कर्नाटका. बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क कर्नाटका में है. काबिनी रिवर जो है उससे काबिनी रिवर इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ कावेरी. वहां से फ्लो होती है, उसके पास से फ्लो होती है. आपका कूनो नेशनल पार्क की न्यूज में था क्योंकि यहाँ पे चीता को टाइगर का ट्रांसलोकेशन के लिए ये न्यूज में था. ठीक है. सो दिस इज देयर इन कूनो नेशनल पार्क इज देयर इन एमपी. कूनो नेशनल पार्क इज देयर इन एमपी. सो ये कूनो नेशनल पार्क इज देयर इन. यस, बांदीपुर, भीतरकनिका. So answer क्या है? None of the above. None of the above. Andhra Pradesh wrong, Madhya Pradesh wrong, Uttarakhand wrong. So moving on to question number 316. Moving on to question number 316. You know Palghat Gap. We understand what is Palghat Gap. There is this Western Ghat. Western Ghat में we then have Nilgiri, Annamalai, Palani, and we have Cardamom. So we have Nilgiri, Annamalai, Palani, and Cardamom. Between Nilgiri and Annamalai is a gap called as Palghat Gap. Nilgiri और Annamalai के बीच में. So it is a mountain pass in Western Ghat, and between Western Ghat, between Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 316. Please write the name also, number also. Otherwise समझ नहीं आएगा education for all किसका आंसर दे रहे हो. भरतपुजा रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू पलक्कड़ गैप. इसको पलक्कड़ गैप भी कहते हैं, इसको पलक्कड़ गैप या पालघाट गैप दोनों कहते हैं. The formation of Palghat Gap occurs due to separation of Australia and Africa continental plates from the Gondwana plates. तो ये पालघाट गैप कब बना था, किस किस के बीच में है, और यहाँ पे कौन सी नदी पास होती. 316. नीलगिरी एंड Annamalai के बीच में. Yes, it is between Nilgiri and Annamalai. Correct. That's what I've written. Between Nilgiri and Annamalai, you have Palghat Gap. It's between Nilgiri and Annamalai. Malai. ठीक है. 316. All of you answer. Answer is सुनील, सिद्धार्थ, बताइए. The answer is all of them above are correct. All the statement above are correct. It's a mountain pass in the Western Ghat between Tamil Nadu and Kerala. That's a right one, between Tamil Nadu and Kerala. जो आपका नीलगिरी है, वो नीलगिरी is between what? नीलगिरी is between कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु एंड केरला. और ये जो गैप रहेगा पालघाट, वो तमिलनाडु और केरला को लिंक करेगा. तो दिट्स अ करेक्ट वन. भरतपुजा इससे फ्लो होती है, केरला में भरतपुजा फ्लो होती है. और ये कब बना था, जब इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया और अफ्रीका से सेपरेट हुआ था. गोंडवाना सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट में जब सेपरेशन हुआ था तो ये गैप बना था. ठीक है. सो द आंसर इज व्हाट, द आंसर इज दिस वन. ठीक है. प्लीज राइट, प्लीज डू दिस क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is not a tributary of Indus River Basin? Indus River Basin की बात चल रही है. Indus River Basin में से कौन सी एक ट्रिब्यूटरी नहीं है? Which of the following is not a tributary of Indus River Basin? पूरा रिवर बेसिन करेंगे कंसिडर, उसमें से कौन सी रिवर इसकी ट्रिब्यूटरी नहीं है? श्योक, नुब्रा, शिगर, हसदेव. श्योक, नुब्रा, शिगर एंड हसदेव. Let's say this is the map of Kashmir. We have Indus flowing here. Okay, you have Gilgit here. You have Siachen here. You have Aksai Chin here. Which of the following is not the tributary of river Indus? All of you please give the answer. $317. Yes, 317. The answer is Hasdev. Hasdev is a tributary of Mahanadi. Hasdev is a tributary of Mahanadi. ये इंदस जा रही है, सियाचिन से निकलती है आपकी श्योक, वो जाके इंदस को मिलती है. सियाचिन से नुब्रा भी निकलती है, वो भी जाके आपकी श्योक को मिलती है और फिर जाके इंदस को मिलती है. यहाँ पे शिगर रिवर भी है, जो आपका जो डिस्प्यूटेड टेरिटरी है वहां पे शिगर भी है, वो भी जाके इंदस को मिलती है. सो शिगर, श्योक एंड नुब्रा, all of them are tributaries of river Indus. ठीक है, except for Hasdev. Hasdev is a tributary of Mahanadi. What are the other tributaries of Mahanadi? Anybody? What are the other tributaries of Mahanadi? महानदी की और कौन सी ट्रिब्यूटरी है? महानदी कहाँ कहाँ से फ्लो होती है? महानदी फ्लोज बिटवीन छत्तीसगढ़ एंड ओडिशा. इट हैज एन ओरिजिन इन दंडकारण्य प्लेटू. दंडकारण्य प्लेटू जय. So if I can show it here, it's this place. It is this place. So here you have Chhattisgarh Here you have Chhattisgarh. Here you have Odisha. Somewhere here you have your Odisha. From Chhattisgarh, the tribute दंडकारण्य से जाती है और महानदी ऐसे फ्लो होती है. महानदी की ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं सेवनाथ, मांड, इब, जोंक. यस, यू हैव सेवनाथ, हसदेव, इब, ओंग, जोंक. ये सब ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं महानदी की. These are the tributaries of Mahanadi. ठीक है. Moving on. So Hasdev is the tributaries of Mahanadi, not the tributary of Indus. Look at this. With reference to radial drainage pattern, consider the following statement. एक statement आपको बता रहे हैं किसके बारे में? Radial drainage pattern के बारे में. Consider the following statement. It is characterized by river or streams diverging outside from a central point. एक central point से they are diverging out. Central point से they are diverging out. So it enters from a central high point, typically a mountain or an elevated area. Typically a mountain or an elevated area. The river originating from Amarkantak range presents a good example from it. तो जो रिवर्स अमरकंटक से आती है उसका अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. Yes, दया also. Siddharth, good one. ठीक है. Siddharth, your mapping knowledge seems to be very good, as I can see it from here. You've not done the questions wrong, so your mapping knowledge seems to be good there. Okay, बताओ. Question number 318. What is question number 318? Tell me about the river drainage pattern. All of you there? The answer for 318 is C. Both 1 and 2. It is radial drainage. Radial drainage basically comes from a plateau outside. It is also known as centrifugal pattern. Amarkantak is an example. From Amarkantak, you have Narmada, you have Son, you have Johila. Narmada, Son, and Johila is one. So the answer is C. Moving on to the other question. With reference to Indus River, consider the following statement. It originates from a glacier near Bokachu in Tibetan region. It is an antecedent river. It flows in Jammu, Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh only. How many of these statements are correct? Indus River के बारे में देखना है. Origin, the type of the river, as well as through which of the states does it flow. Through which of the state does it flow? How many of them are correct? How many of them are correct? 319, 319. Okay, I get your answers, Akshay, Sunil. Jaff, okay, good one. The answer is only 2 is correct. Yes, it comes from Bokachu Glacier. It comes from Bokachu Glacier in Tibetan region. Okay. It is an antecedent river. An antecedent river is a river that originates even before Himalayas came. And it flows only through Jammu and Kashmir. It does not flow through Himachal Pradesh. वो सिर्फ जम्मू कश्मीर के बीच में से flow होती है. If you look at here, it only flows through between Jammu and Kashmir. It is only flowing through between Jammu and Kashmir. सिर्फ जम्मू कश्मीर से ही flow होती है. It flows between, Indus flows between which two mountain ranges? Indus कौन सी दो mountain ranges के बीच में flow होती है? Indus flows between Ladakh and Zaskar. Indus लद्दाख और जास्कर के बीच में फ्लो होती है. और लद्दाख और काराकोरम, काराकोरम और लद्दाख के बीच में कौन सी फ्लो होती है? You have Shyok River. Shyok River. So Shyok River is between Karakoram and Ladakh, and Indus is between Zaskar and Ladakh. Right. लद्दाख से नहीं जाती. ठीक है. लद्दाख से river Indus, we'll have to. It is basically majorly through your Kashmir, majorly through the Kashmir Valley, Kashmir region से ये जाती. ठीक है. लद्दाख के बीच से जाती है तो yes, वो भी आना चाहिए, बट हिमाचल प्रदेश से तो नहीं जाती, हिमाचल प्रदेश से तो नहीं जाती है, दैट इज फॉर श्योर। ठीक है, हिमाचल प्रदेश से नहीं जाती। इट शुड ग्रो थ्रू लद्दाख ऑल्सो, क्योंकि लद्दाख के बीच में ही है, इट हैज टू गो थ्रू लद्दाख ऑल्सो। इट फ्लोज बिटवीन लद्दाख एंड जास्कर, राइट? Looking at this question, so at least third statement is definitely incorrect. It flows through Kashmir and Ladakh also, but not Himachal Pradesh. With respect to Narmada River, consider the following statements. With respect to Narmada River, consider the following statement. It is the longest west flowing river in India. It is the longest west flowing river in India. It flows through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra in India. It is a rift valley bordered by Satpura and Vindhyan Range. It forms delta before draining into the Arabian Sea. Is Zaskar a part of Trans Himalayas? Yes. Yes, Zaskar. नहीं, उसका बेसिन का आएगा सिद्धार्थ. Is Zaskar a part of Trans Himalayas? Yes. Trans Himalayas has Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar. Catchment area में आएगा क्या? लद्दाख. एक्चुअली इंदस का पानी कहाँ से कैप्चर होता है? मानसरोवर से. मानसरोवर के पास बुकारचू ग्लेशियर से. तो बेसिन के लिए आप बोल सकते हो, बट इंदस के लिए, मेन के लिए नहीं बोलते हो. ठीक है? Okay, moving on to river Narmada. It is the longest west flowing river in India. It flows through MP, Gujarat. It flows through MP, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Maharashtra, MP, Gujarat. It is a rift valley between Vindhyas and Satpuras. It forms a delta before draining into Arabian Sea. Answer? How many? Answer 320. Answer 320. Tell me. Statement 1 is correct. Yes. Statement 1 is correct. It flows through the states of MP, Gujarat, Maharashtra. That is also correct. Statement 3 is also correct. Statement D is wrong. It does not forms delta. Hence the answer is what? Hence the answer is C. All of you, you've given me C as the answer, which is the right answer. Akshay, answer C hai. Ye bhi correct hai. It does not form delta. What does it form? It forms estuary. River Narmada forms estuary. And that estuary is known as Alia Bet estuary. It is known as Alia Bet estuary. So the answer is what? The answer is only 3. Consider the following statement and tell which of the following countries share a border with the Black Sea. Which of the following countries share a border with the Black Sea? Okay. Yes, much of the west flowing rivers, they don't form delta. Many of them, they don't form delta. Siddharth, correct. Okay. Which of the following statements, consider the following options, and which of them they share their border with the Black Sea? All of you, I think you would know the short form of Black Sea. It is Gurbat. So which of them shares the border? You have Georgia, you have Ukraine, you have Romania, you have Russia, you have Bulgaria, you have Turkey. Okay? You have Turkey. Now think about the. Okay? Yes, you can say Gurbat, you can say T burger, T Burgr. Okay? So you have Bulgaria, you have Russia. Armenia is a no-no. Okay? We have Turkey. We have Turkey. Okay, you don't have Serbia, you have Georgia. So the answer is only 4. The answer is only 4. 321. The answer is B. Yes, Akshay, Ritvik. The answer is B. Look at this question and try to solve this question. Consider the following pairs. Consider the following pairs of the rivers. River Mekong, where does it flow? River Danube, where does it flow? River Yangtze, also known as Yangtze. River Rhine. Does it flow to? Andaman Sea, Caspian Sea, East China Sea, Rhine? Which of the pair is correctly matched? Which of the pair is correctly matched? Try to eliminate the most easy one. Try to eliminate the most easy. The most easy to eliminate would be Mekong. The most easy to eliminate would be Mekong. Okay. Mekong does not drain into the. Yes, Siddharth. Yes. Danube, Dnieper, Dniester, Danube, वो सब Black Sea. ठीक है. Mekong drains into South China Sea. So one is easily eliminated. We can eliminate one. So either the answer is 2 only or the answer is 3 and 4 only. If I talk about Danube, now only you said it is there in Black Sea. It is there in Black Sea. So Caspian Sea हट जाएगा. Danube, Dnieper, जितनी भी Black Sea में जो रिवर ड्रेन करती हैं वो डी से चालू होती है मेजरली. Danube, Dnieper, Dniester, Don. Don है, Dnieper है, Dniester है, Danube है. So 2 is also wrong. The answer is what? The answer is 3 and 4. Yangtze drains into East China Sea. Rhine, that drains into the North Sea. That drains into the North Sea. Okay? Hence the answer is C. Now, the next one. Kunchikal Falls. Kunchikal Falls in India is formed by which of the following rivers? There's a fall that is given. Kunchikal Falls. It is formed by which of the following rivers? थोड़ा सा अनएक्सपेक्टेड है. थोड़ा सा अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन है ये. आपने शायद नहीं सुना होगा कुंचिकल फॉल्स के बारे में. Yes, 322. The answer is C. 323. What is the answer for 323? Kunchikal wall is formed by which of the following rivers? कौन सी rivers बनाती हैं? It is formed by 323. 323. It is formed by Varahi river. Varahi river बनाती है. ठीक है. क्षारावती जॉक फॉल बनाती है. तो क्षारावती नहीं है. Sharavati is not the right answer. Priyanka ने लिखा था. The answer is Sunil. No, Sharavati is not the answer. Sharavati पे जॉक फॉल है. कुंचिकल फॉल्स नहीं है. कुंचिकल फॉल्स भी कर्नाटका में. Kunchikal Falls, they are also there in Karnataka. It is there in the Shimoga district. It is there formed by river Varahi. The tallest, one of the tallest waterfalls है. वराही रिवर जो होती है वो वेस्टर्न घाट से आती है. छोटी रिवर है और कर्नाटका में ड्रेन करती है. वराही रिवर को आप हल्दी रिवर भी कहते हो या हालडी रिवर भी कहते हो. हालडी ये कहाँ मिलती है? इट गोज एंड जॉइन अरेबियन सी. सो अरेबियन सी में छोटी सी रिवर है वराही रिवर. इस पे बहुत बड़े से फॉल हैं. कुंचिकल फॉल. Hence the answer is what? Hence the answer is Varahi. Now look at this. Which of the following are tributaries of river Brahmaputra? Which of the following are tributaries of river Brahmaputra? This is an easy one. 324. कौन सी tributaries है river Brahmaputra की? Which of the following is tributaries of river Brahmaputra? Tell me. Subansiri, Lohit, Barak, Dibang. This is your, if I try to draw a map here, you have your Brahmaputra. It is coming as Yarlung Sangpo river. It enters India as Dihang river. It is joined by Dibang river. It is joined by Lohit river. And then it is known as Brahmaputra. उसके बाद उसको ब्रह्मपुत्र कहते हैं. Brahmaputra goes and drains into Bangladesh. It goes and drains into Bangladesh. So Lohit और Dibang तो रहेगा ही रहेगा आंसर में. 2 and 4 has to be there. Subansiri is also a tributary of Brahmaputra. The answer is 1, 2, 4. Tributaries क्या क्या हैं ब्रह्मपुत्र की? The tributaries of Brahmaputra are Dibang, Dihang, Subansiri. You have Manas. We have tributaries like Manas, Kameng, Subansiri, Sankosh, Manas, Sankosh, Kameng, Subansiri, Manas, Kameng, Sankosh, Subansiri. You have Burhi Dihing, you have Kopili. ये सब आपकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं ब्रह्मपुत्र की. बुरी दिहिंग. You also have Dhansiri. You also have Dhansiri. तो धनसिरी, कोपिली, कामेंग, सुभाष, संकोश, मनास, ये सब आपकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज है. रिवर बराक जो है, इट इज नॉट अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र. It is basically originating at Manipuri Hills. It originates at Manipuri Hills, Barak, and it flows through. Barak flows through. Barak flows through. Barak flows through Manipur, Mizoram, and Assam. मैम से फ्लो होती है. ठीक है. हाँ, जलधाका तीस्ता भी है. यस, जलधाका तीस्ता भी है. वेरी गुड. राइडाक भी है. अक्षय, राइडाक भी है. ओके. सो बराक कम्स फ्रॉम मणिपुर. इट फ्लोज बिटवीन मणिपुर, मिजोरम एंड असम, मैम में, और फिर फाइनली जाके बांग्लादेश में मिलती है. इट गोज टू बांग्लादेश. ठीक है. सो इट इज नॉट अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र. आंसर इज व्हाट? द आंसर इज सी फॉर कैट. द आंसर इज सी फॉर कैट. नाउ consider this river. Which of the following rivers are not antecedent? कौन सी रिवर एंटीसीडेंट नहीं है? इंदस. Is Tista a tributary of Brahmaputra? Yes, Tista is a tributary of Brahmaputra. It joins Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. It joins Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. Smiling, smiling Buddha. Which of the following rivers is or are not antecedent rivers? कौन सी river antecedent नहीं है? Indus, Kosi, and Chambal. Indus, Kosi, and Chambal. Which of them is not antecedent? We know that Indus is something that came even before Himalayas. Bokarchu Glacier, Tibet में origin है इसका. Kosi also has origin. Timur Kosi, Amur Kosi in Tibet. It came before Himalayas. Chambal is not antecedent. So which is not antecedent? Chambal is not an antecedent. The answer is what? The answer is A. A for apple. Answer is A for apple. This was easy. Consider this. Consider this question. Which arrange the following dams or reservoir from north to south? North to south. Up. Arrange. Correct. Consider the following river from. Consider the following dams or reservoir from north to south. नागार्जुन सागर कौन सी रिवर पे है? सोचो. रिवर सोचोगे तो याद आ जाएगा कि नॉर्थ और साउथ क्या है. मेत्तूर कौन सी रिवर पे है? तेहरी कौन सी रिवर पे है? गांधी सागर कौन सी रिवर पे? सो अगर आप रिवर सोचोगे तो आपको नॉर्थ साउथ इजी आ जाएगा. सो नागार्जुन सागर, मेत्तूर, तेहरी एंड गांधी सागर. नागार्जुन सागर इज ऑन रिवर. Yes, smiling Buddha. Correct. Very good. The answer is what? 326. The answer. 326. The answer is C for cat. River. सबसे ऊपर भागीरथी आएगी. भागीरथी जो गंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरी है, उस पे तेहरी है, तो obviously it has to be 3. Then you have river चंबल, जिसपे आपका गांधी सागर है, तो 3 के बाद 4 आएगा. 3 के बाद 4 आएगा. Then you have नागार्जुन सागर, which is your Krishna river. 1, and then you have river Kaveri, जिसपे आपका मेत्तूर है. So the answer is what? The answer is C. Yes, all of you, nearly all of you have given me right answers. Smiling Buddha, Akshay, education for all, fine. Dushyant, Sunil, 326. The answer is not A. पहले कृष्णा पे नागार्जुन सागर है, फिर मेत्तूर, फिर कावेरी आएगी. If you look at this, here you have Krishna here and you have Kaveri here. You have Krishna first, then you have Kaveri. ठीक है. Yes, yes. नागार्जुन सागर, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना. ठीक है. Look at this. Which of the following countries are bordered by Russia? Which of the following countries are bordered by Russia? Russia किसको border करता है? इसमें सबसे easy जो है eliminate करना चाहिए. We should eliminate the easy one. We should eliminate the easy one. Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Kyrgyzstan, and Finland. Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Kyrgyzstan, and Finland. Russia. Which of the following countries are bordered by Russia? 327, I'm getting some of the answers. 327, I'm getting some of the answers. Okay. Yes. So, which of the following countries are bordered by Russia? You know that there are this one. ये जो लिथुआनिया है, लैटविया है, एस्टोनिया है, इससे तो रशिया सराउंड करता ही है. ई लाली कंट्रीज कहते हैं इसको, एस्टोनिया, लैटविया, लिथुआनिया. फिनलैंड से भी करता है. द आंसर इज व्हाट? 1 2 3 एंड 5. मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गिवन मी द राइट आंसर. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 एंड 5. 1 2 3 एंड 5. इवन फिनलैंड के साथ करता है सिद्धार्थ. इवन फिनलैंड के साथ करता है. यस. The next one, Kaimur Hills are situated north of. Kaimur Hills are situated where? North of Hazaribagh Plateau, south of Bagelkhand, east of Bundelkhand, and the west of Vindhyan Range. Where are Kaimur Hills? Where are Kaimur Hills situated? North of Hazaribagh, south of Bagelkhand, east of Bundelkhand, west of Vindhyan Range. 328 काइमूर कहाँ पे है? आपको प्लेटूज के बारे में जानकारी रखनी पड़ेगी. आपको प्लेटूज के बारे में थोड़ी इसके लिए जानकारी लगेगी. यू नीड सम नॉलेज अबाउट द प्लेटूज. वेयर इज हजारीबाग, वेयर इज बुंदेलखंड, वेयर इज बाघेलखंड, वेयर इज विंध्यन रेंज. सो इफ यू लुक एट द मैप, द आंसर हियर, पहले हम आंसर देख लेते हैं. इसका आंसर है ईस्ट ऑफ बुंदेलखंड. 328. 328, the answer is east of Bundelkhand. So if you take into consideration, if you take into consideration this one, here you have Aravali. Aravali के बाद you have Mewar, then you have Malwa. Mewar, you have Malwa, you have Bundelkhand, you have Chota Nagpur Plateau, you have Vindhyas. It extends to Kaimur और बानहिल. तो नॉर्थ ऑफ हजार, ये जो छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो है, इसी को आप हजारीबाग भी कहते हैं. तो नॉर्थ में नहीं है, इसके वेस्ट में है. साउथ ऑफ बागेलखंड, नो, इट्स नॉट साउथ ऑफ बागेलखंड. रादर you have Bagelkhand somewhere here only near Bundelkhand. So it is not south of Bagelkhand, it has to be east of Bagelkhand. It is west of Indian range, no, it is, or it is a part of Indian range. It is a part of Indian range. तो Indian range का part ही है. So the answer is what? The answer is 328. The answer is C. Kaimur range, it's a eastern portion of Indian range. जबलपुर में है, ठीक है. और ये east of बुंदेलखंड है. North of, I should say, it is east of बुंदेलखंड and it is north of बागेलखंड. बागेलखंड के north में है. It is west of हजारीबाग and it is also east of विंध्यन रेंज. ईस्ट ऑफ विंध्यन रेंज. तो यहाँ पे आपका बागेलखंड है. बागेलखंड के नॉर्थ में आपका प्लेटू जाता है, ठीक है. ऑल ऑफ यू देयर, ऑल ऑफ यू देयर. सो दिस इज अबाउट योर काइमूर हिल्स. ऑल ऑफ यू. बागेलखंड चंबल वाला नहीं है, वो बुंदेलखंड है. चंबल वाला बुंदेलखंड है, बागेलखंड नहीं. बागेलखंड ईस्टर्न एमपी में आता है. ईस्टर्न एमपी छत्तीसगढ़ में आता है, ठीक है. ईस्टर्न एमपी छत्तीसगढ़ में आता है. तो मेवाड़, मालवा, बुंदेलखंड, यहाँ बागेलखंड, यहाँ छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो. बागेलखंड के नॉर्थ में जाएगा, ठीक है. Which side is Bagelkhand? That's what I'm saying, Rock. It is a part of MP. It's a part of Eastern MP. Shahdol district जहां से जाती है, that is the part of Bagelkhand. ठीक है, MP के part. All of you there. Let's move on to the next question. 328. छत्तीसगढ़ के पास से, ठीक है, बागेलखंड. Which of 329? Let's look at question number 329. With reference to Kaveri River, consider the following statements. It rises in Brahmagiri Hills. It covers the states of Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and the UT of Puducherry. It has islands of Srirangampatnam, Shivasamudram, and Srirangampatnam, and Sivasamudram islands. All of you? Yes. Question number 329. Question number 329. 329. Yes, Kaveri or Kaveri, all of these statements are correct. जितने भी statements है सारे के सारे statements correct हैं. ठीक है? For Kaveri, all of these statements are correct. It rises in Brahmagiri Hills. Yes, it rises in the Brahmagiri Hills. It passes through Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry. It has islands of this Srirangam, and Sivasamudram. All of these are correct. That's the answer for 328. 329. 329. The answer is all of the above. Clear? Okay. Moving on to question number 330. Moving on to question number 330. Yes. 329. The answer is C. कावेरी बेसिन की बात चल रही है. कावेरी बेसिन की बात चल रही है. ठीक है. इट इज अबाउट कावेरी बेसिन. तो कावेरी की जो ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं वो जाती हैं. केरला में भी जाता है. केरला में बहुत कम बेसिन है. पुडुचेरी में और भी कम बेसिन है. बट कावेरी बेसिन इट इज देयर इन बोथ ऑफ देम. ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन. Which of the following pair of the rivers are correctly matched? Which of the following pairs of rivers are correctly matched? वर्धा, पेनगंगा, महानदी, सेवनाथ, दामोदर, बराकर. दामोदर, बराकर. दामोदर, बराकर. ठीक है. 330. वर्धा, पेनगंगा, महानदी, सेवनाथ, दामोदर, बराकर, कावेरी, भावनी. Which of the following pair rivers and its tributaries are correctly matched? The answer is this one. The answer is all four of them are correctly matched. Yes, the right answer has been given to me by Akshay. Akshay, that's the right answer. नहीं, Siddharth, कौन सा गलत लग रहा है? Why do you think it's only 3? Why do you think it's only 3? Why do you think it is 3? Tell me, why do you think it's 3? Yes, Vardha is made up. Vardha पेनगंगा को मिलती है. वर्धा प्लस पेनगंगा प्लस वर्धा प्लस पेनगंगा प्लस वैनगंगा फाइनली फॉर्म्स प्रणहिता. ठीक है. फाइनली फॉर्म्स, पहले पेनगंगा को मिलती है. पेनगा, वैनगंगा एंड योर प्रणहिता. You have what? You have Godavari river. You have Vardha, Venganga and Penganga. All of them. Vardha, Venganga and Penganga combined together to become Pranhita. And then Pranhita meets Godavari. And then Pranhita meets Godavari. Okay? And then Pranhita meets Godavari. Did you understand this? Yes. No. They all of them they make up Pranhita. And then Pranhita basically goes the Godavari. Okay? So Vardha is a tributary of Godavari. Vardha is also a tributary of Penganga. Mahanati ka hai Sevnath, correct. Barakar and Damodar is correct. Moving on. Look at this. There is a statement that there is a paragraph that has been given. There is a paragraph that has been given. The general elevation ranges between 700 meter to 1000 meter above the sea level. So it's just plateau ही लग रहा है क्योंकि सिर्फ इतना ही है. And it slopes towards north and northeastern direction. Most of the tributaries of Yamuna have their origin in this region. and its eastern extension is formed by Rajmeher Hills, to the south of which lies a large reserves of mineral resource in Chota Nagpur Plateau, and in the west, its extension it can be as far as Jaisalmer. Which of the following? Which of the following describes? Which of the following is the feature described in the passage given above? So you have Deccan Plateau, Central Highlands, Maikal Range, the Eastern Ghats. 331. 331 seems to be a fairly easy one. Easy है ये, बताइए. थोड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, easy क्वेश्चन है. Deccan Plateau, Central Highland, Maikal Range, Eastern Ghats. Yes. Akshay, Ankit, Sunil, Harsheni. The answer is Central Highlands. Can you look at this question? 332, sorry. 332. Consider the following statement with respect to Indian ports. Consider the following statement with respect to the Indian ports. With respect to the Indian ports. Western coast has more seaports than the eastern coast. Kochi port is situated at the head of Vembanad Kayal. Haldia port is situated at the Mahanadi Delta. Which one of the statement given above is or are correct? Which one of the statement given above is or are correct? 320, 332. This also seems to be an easier one. 332. Yes, some of you have given me an answer there. कुछ लोगों ने आंसर दे दिया 332 का. बताइए, I'm waiting. India is surrounded by the long coastline, 7,516 kilometers of coastline. There are more ports on the western side, so therefore statement 1 is correct. Kochi port is at the head of Vyambana, that is also correct. The third statement that Haldia port is located at the Mahanadi, it's not correct. Haldia port is in West Bengal, Kolkata. So it is there at the river Hooghly. Hence the answer is what? Hence the answer is 1 and 2 only. Yes, the answer is 323. The answer is 1 and 2 only. All of you, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Consider the following pair. National Waterway 1. National Waterway 1. National Waterway 2. National Waterway 3. National Waterway 1, National Waterway 2, National Waterway 3. So this is about the waterways. Which all waterways do we have where? Which all waterways do we have where? So if we take into consideration the waterway, National Waterway 1, 2, and 3. Yes, tell me. 333. 333. The answer is 333. The answer is A. The answer is A. Yes, the answer is A, not C. Sub nahi hai. National Waterway 1 is correctly matched. It's Ganga, Bhagirathi, Hooghly. National Waterway 2 is also correctly matched, Brahmaputra. National Waterway 3 is about West Coast Canal, Champakara Canal, Udyog Mandal Canal. So you can look at here. You can look at this one. You want to look at the diagram that we have. So here you have National Waterway 1. It's there at Ganga, Bhagirathi, Hooghly, Haldia, Allahabad. National Waterway 2 is Brahmaputra River. National Waterway 3 is West Coast Canal. That is somewhere here along the coast of Kerala that you can see. National Waterway 4 is there at the Krishna. Yes, Kollam to Kottapuram. Yes, that's the West Coast Canal. National Waterway 4 is about Krishna. Krishna, that is Muktiala to Vijayawada. So these are some of the important waterways that you have. Okay. Some of the important waterways that we have. So the answer here was only 1 and 2. Now look at this question 334. Which of the following is correct regarding delta formation? Which of the following is correct regarding the delta formation? Regarding the delta formation, high sediment loads of the river, high sediment load of the river, turbulent waves near the mouth, shallow coastal waters, multiple distributaries of the river, multiple distributaries of the river. Okay. How many of the above conditions are favorable for the delta formation? कितनी conditions favorable है for the delta? Yes, tell me. 334. The answer is, it's an easy one. 334, the answer is. Okay, fine, Harshini, that's okay. 334, the answer is only. Answer is only 3. What does a delta formation need? It needs high sediment load so that there is deposition. It does not need turbulent waves. अगर turbulent waves होगी तो wash out कर देगी. It needs calm sea. It needs stable sea. It needs stable waves. It needs shallow coastal water. Yes, there's shallow coastal water. There's multiple distributaries of the. So you need shallow coastal water. You need low wave energy. You need low wave energy. There is this low wave energy. High sediment load. There's sediment load. There is wave energy. There is shallow coastal waters. You need minimal tidal influence. Minimal tidal influence. There is stable sea level. Stable sea level. There's fresh water flow. There's fresh water flow. There should be multiple distributaries. Yes, correct. Turbulent waves will wash the sediments, hence only 3. Look at this question number 4. Sorry, question number 335. Question number 335. We look at 335 with reference to the, consider the following statements with reference to the Northeast Indian states. Consider the following statements with reference to the Northeast Indian states. Mizoram shares a boundary with Bay of Bengal and Myanmar. Tripura shares a boundary with Bangladesh, Meghalaya, Assam, and Mizoram. Assam does not share a boundary with Sikkim. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Which of the following statement is or are correct? The Northeastern Indian states की हम बात करें. Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Which of the following statement is or are correct? 335. The easy one to eliminate is Mizoram shares a boundary with Bangladesh and Myanmar. No, it does not share a boundary with Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal के साथ थोड़ी boundary share करता है. Landlocked है. So one is can be eliminated. Now the answer is 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 3 only. If you look at Tripura, just let me help you out with the image here. Just let me help you out with the image here. Allow me 1 minute, please. So if I help out, Tripura जो है, Tripura is basically sharing border with Assam and Mizoram. It is not sharing border with Meghalaya. Meghalaya के साथ border नहीं है Tripura का, ठीक है? It is not sharing border with Meghalaya. So you can look at the image here. I'll just show you the image here. It is not sharing border with Meghalaya. Assam does not share a boundary with Sikkim. Yes, that's the right one. Assam does not share a boundary with Sikkim. The answer is D for dog. The answer is D for dog. If you look at the image here, this is the image of your northeastern states. मेघालय देखो, मेघालय बांग्लादेश और असम के साथ ही है। ठीक है, मेघालय सिर्फ बांग्लादेश और असम के साथ। और त्रिपुरा शेयर्स अ बॉर्डर विद असम एंड मिजोरम। त्रिपुरा शेयर्स अ बॉर्डर विद मिजोरम एंड असम। Assam does not share a border with Sikkim. Assam has a border with Bangladesh, West Bengal only. Assam has, yes. Tripura मेघालय के साथ नहीं शेयर करता है. Therefore, the answer is that only one. That was this one. That three only. सिर्फ three only है. Assam does not share a border with Sikkim. Yes, it only shares with West Bengal. मतलब not Sikkim shares with West Bengal. West Bengal shares with Sikkim. Tripura does not share border with Meghalaya. It shares with Mizoram and Mizoram shares a boundary with Bay of Bengal. That's a incorrect statement. Question number 336. Consider the following pairs. There is mangrove and there is region that has been given. There's mangrove and there's a region that has been given. 336. 336. There's mangrove and there's a region that has to be. So you have mangroves के क्या-क्या अलग-अलग नाम हैं? पिचावरम, बारातांग, भीतरकनिका, रत्नागिरी. पिचावरम, बारातांग, भीतरकनिका and रत्नागिरी. How many of the pairs are correctly matched? How many of the pairs given above are correctly matched? 336. 336. If you take into consideration the answer here, yes, the answer is only two. Only two are correctly matched. Ratnagiri is Maharashtra, Bhitarkanika is Odisha, Pichavaram. Pichavaram is in Tamil Nadu. It is there in Tamil Nadu. If I talk about Baratang, Baratang is your Andaman and Nicobar Island. Great Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It's between Middle and South Andaman. Baratang Island भी है, वो Andaman में होगा. Yes, very good smiling. Buddha, the answer is two only. Two. 336. The answer is B. Not all of them. Now look at this. Consider the following. Consider the following. Which of them are correctly matched? Aleutian Island, Reunion Island, Marshall Island, Tasmania Island. Aleutian Island, Reunion Island, Marshall Island, Tasmania. थ्री थर्टी सेवन. 337. थिंक अबाउट इट. सबसे इजी क्या रहेगा? सबसे इजी क्या है? जोन. Reunion is hotspot. Reunion is hotspot. Okay, that's the most easy one. And Tasmania is continental. Tasmania ऑस्ट्रेलिया से टूटा है. यहाँ पे Tasmania is continental. So 2 has to be there and 4 has to be there. Aleutian Islands is volcanic. Aleutian Islands जो है वो ocean convergence के कारण बने, volcanic in nature है. Marshall Islands जो है वो coral islands है. So 337. 337. The answer is A. The answer is A. 337. The answer is A. All of you there? 337. The answer is A. Now looking at question number 338. Question number 330. Consider the following statement regarding Pangong Tso. Consider the following statement regarding Pangong Tso. It is not a part of Indus River system. It has been declared as the Ramsar site. It has been declared as the Ramsar site. The lake lies in the north of the Ladakh range. जो lake है वो north of Ladakh range में मिलता है. 338. 338 की बात करें, Pangong Tso की बात करें. Pangong Tso is basically there in Ladakh region. लद्दाख रीजन में. तो क्या वो इंडस रिवर सिस्टम का पार्ट है? Has it been declared as the Ramsar site? And where does it lie? Does it lie in the north of the Ladakh range? Which of the following statement is or are incorrect? Okay, you have to tell the incorrect statement. ये मिस मत कर देना. Which of the following is or are incorrect? 338. Which of the following is or are incorrect? It is not a Ramsar site. Yes, it is not a Ramsar site. It is not a Ramsar site. That's a incorrect one. That's a incorrect one. So now what is the answer? Now what is the answer? 338. ये तो सही है कि वो that is not a Ramsar site. So answer cannot be 3 only. Answer cannot be 3 only. 2 is definitely wrong. It cannot be one of the above. Now it is 1 and 2 or 2 only. क्या सिर्फ 1 और 2 है या 2 only है? Answer is A or C. आपको इनकरेक्ट बताना है अक्षय. The answer is 1 and 2. The answer, it is a part of Indus River system. शोक है, शोक का आउटलेट था, ठीक है, शोक का आउटलेट था, रादर अभी भी है, थोड़ा सा पार्ट है. And the lake lies in the north of Ladakh Range. This is also correct. It lies to the north of the Ladakh Range. The answer is 1 and 2. Look at this question. Look at this question. 338, 339, 339. With reference to the Ganga River system, with reference to the Ganga River system, consider the following. None of the left bank tributaries of Ganga originate in India. The last primary left bank tributary of Ganga is Mahananda. Upper Ganga is a Ramsar site. Yamuna, Kosi, Kane, Betwa are the right bank tributaries of Ganga. If you think about Ganga River, this is let's say the Indian territory. So here you have Ganga River. Ganga to the right, Ganga to the left. You have Ganga, Yamuna. तो गंगा की लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन सी हैं? गंगा की लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज आर राम गंगा, गोमती, घाघरा, गंडक, कोसी, महानंदा. गंगा की राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन सी है? यमुना एंड सोन. यमुना एंड सोन. It says none of the left bank tributaries originate in India. The primary left bank tributary is Mahananda. Upper Ganga is a Ramsar site. Yamuna, Kosi, Kane and Betwa are the tributaries of Ganga. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Which of the following is a incorrect? Ram, Ganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Mahananda. These are the left bank tributaries. Yes, correct. Smiling. Smiling Buddha, correct. 339. Which of the following statement is or are incorrect? आपको incorrect नहीं मिस करना है. अक्षय, अभय. Yes, correct. Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Kena, tributaries of Yamuna. Correct. So first one, none of the river of the left bank tributaries originate in India. This is a wrong statement. If you look at Ram Ganga, if you look at Mahananda, Ram Ganga originates in India. Mahananda originates in India. ठीक है? तो ये दोनों statement, ये statement गलत है. If you look at this statement, the primary left bank tributary of Ganga is Mahananda. This is a correct one. Upper Ganga is a Ramsar site. Yes, it is a Ramsar site. Very old Ramsar site. If you look at यमुना, कोसी, केन, बेतवा. केन, बेतवा तो यमुना की ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं और कोसी राइट नहीं है, तो ये भी गलत हो जाता है. तो इनकरेक्ट कौन से हैं? सी 1 and 4. सी 1 and 4. ठीक है. Look at this question. Now look at this question. This is with respect to the Delhi, Nepal and others. Consider the following statement. Delhi lies north in the northward latitude with respect to that of Kathmandu. Nepal borders with 5 Indian states. Lipu Lake is situated in Sikkim. Lipu Lake is situated in Sikkim. Which of the following is or are correct? 340. Which of the following is or are correct? Consider the following statement. Delhi lies to the northern latitude with respect to the Kathmandu. Nepal borders 5 Indian states. Lipu Lake is situated in Sikkim. लद्दाख के नॉर्थ में है, 100 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ में है। लद्दाख के 100 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ में। आपको पता नहीं क्यों नहीं लग रहा है? 340 340 340. Delhi lies at the top of Mount Everest. Siddharth. Delhi is actually 28-degree north latitude. It's talking about north latitude. Whereas, yes, whereas Kathmandu is 27-degree north latitude. So this is around 28-degree north latitude. So Delhi is to the north of Kathmandu. Yes, it is to the north of Kathmandu. Nepal passes through 5 Indian states. Nepal borders 5 Indian states. Yes, Nepal borders 5 Indian states. The states are Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim. This was an easy one. Yeah. Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Sikkim और West Bengal से border करता है. If you take into consideration statement 3, Lipu Lake is situated in Sikkim. No, this is a wrong statement. Lipu Lake is between India, Nepal, and China. तो 3 को तो आप eliminate कर देंगे तो आंसर क्या होगा? The answer is 1 and 2 only. ठीक है? The answer is 1 and 2. 340. All of you given me answer as A, which is the correct answer. Akshay, Abhay, Siddharth, Sushant, Ritvik, Ankit Kumar. Lipu Lake अभी न्यूज में था because of Lipu Lake, काला पानी and लिम्पियादुरा. तो ये न्यूज में रहे थे. नेपाल ने उनको अपनी टेरिटरी घोषित की थी. Lipu Lake is at the tri junction of India, Nepal, and China. ठीक है? So it cannot be Sikkim. If you remove 3, you get the answer. Which of the following with reference to Lonar Lake, which is sometime in news, is or are correct? Okay. Which of the following with reference to Lonar Lake, sometimes in news, is or are correct? It is a freshwater lake situated in Maharashtra. It is formed by the accumulation of water in the crater by a meteoric strike. 341. It is a freshwater lake situated in Maharashtra. The accumulation of water in a crater is made by meteoric strike. 341. Okay. All of you, the answers. ये एक दो क्वेश्चन आते हैं. Fine, that's okay. Mapping question. Is it a freshwater lake? Vinod? No, it is not a freshwater lake. Yes, you are correct. Freshwater lake नहीं है. All of you have given me answer is B. It is not a freshwater lake. It is a saline. It is a saline sodic lake. It is formed by the accumulation of water in a crater made by meteoric depression. Yes, the answer is B for boy. B for बॉय। लुनार लेक जो है, लुनार क्रेटर जो है, इसको आप क्या कहते हैं? इट हैज बीन नाउ, लुनार क्रेटर हैज नाउ बीन notified as what? It has been notified, ये न्यूज में था, notified as national geo heritage monument, national geo heritage monument। क्यों? क्योंकि ये सलाइन सोडिक लेक है, और ये सलाइन और सोडिक लेक, सो इट इज नॉट अ फ्रेश वाटर लेक, बुल्डाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, नेशनल जियो हेरिटेज मॉन्यूमेंट पे इसको डिक्लेयर किया गया। So the answer is what? The answer is B. Now looking at question number 342. With reference to nuclear power in India, consider the following pairs. Nuclear power plant, and you have to consider the state. Kudankulam, Tamil Nadu, Kakrapar, Maharashtra, Tarapur, Karnataka, Jaitapur, Rajasthan. Which of the following states are incorrectly matched? How of them are incorrectly matched? So 342. Tell us which of the following is incorrectly matched. 2 and 3 only, 3 and 4 only, 1 and 2 only, 2, 3 and 4. 342. 342. Yes. Kudankulam. Kudankulam is in. Kudankulam is in which state? Only first pair is correctly matched. Correct. Only first pair is correctly matched. Kakrapar is in. Kakrapar. It's a map-based question. Answer is which of the following are incorrectly matched? The answer is 2, 3, and 4. 342. The answer is D. Yes, Siddharth. 342. The answer is D. Kudankulam is in Tamil Nadu. What about Kakrapar? This is Gujarat. Tarapur, Gujarat. Sorry, Tarapur, Maharashtra. Tarapur, Maharashtra. Jaitapur. Jaitapur also. Maharashtra. Jaitapur also. Maharashtra. So the answer is what? The answer is 2, 3, and 4. Yes. Tarapur, Maharashtra. Jaitapur also. Maharashtra. 342 answer is 2, 3, and 4. The answer is D for dog. The answer is D for dog. No. Okay. 342. The answer is 2, 3, 4. Let's look at this. Consider the following mountain passes. Consider the सिद्धार्थ गुजरात में नहीं है, जैतापुर महाराष्ट्र में। ठीक है। मैच द फॉलोइंग इंडियाज माउंटेन पासेस विद देयर लोकेशन इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव स्टेट्स। माउंटेन पासेस है और स्टेट्स की बात करते हैं। नथुला पास उत्तराखंड, लिपुलेक पास जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। आपको मैच करना है रोहतांग पास एंड जोजिला पास। कौन से स्टेट में? नथुला, लिपुलेक, रोहतांग पास, जोजिला पास। यू हैव टू मैच इट विद उत्तराखंड, कश्मीर, सिक्किम एंड हिमाचल प्रदेश। Think about it. Jozila is on Great Himalayas. Rohtang, which state? रोहतांग से रावी रिवर निकलती है। रावी रिवर कहाँ से निकलती है? लिपुलेक तो न्यूज में रहा है अभी, लिपुलेक न्यूज में रहा है। 343 the answer is Nathula Pass is in Sikkim. Nathula Pass is in Sikkim. So 1, the answer is C. Lipu Lake Pass is in Uttarakhand. Rohtang Pass is in Himachal Pradesh. Zozila is in Kashmir. CADB. So therefore the answer is what? The answer is C. The answer is C. 343, the answer is C. Now look at question number 344. There is a state that has been given and there are the characteristics that have been mentioned. There are characteristics that have been mentioned by the following states. It lies on a same latitude with the which passes that through Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So there is a there is a same latitude that will pass through Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So let's say this is the year. If we have Rajasthan, Gujarat, so you have Gujarat, you have MP. There's a state which passes through the same latitude. We'll have to see that. It has 45% of its area under 40 to 45% of the area under forest. The state animal is wild water buffalo. It is drained by Rihand River. Yes, smiling Buddha. Good one. Manila, Nitila, Thangla, Lipulek, all of them are right. Manla, Nitila, Lipulek, as well as Thangla. All of them are correct. 343. 343. 343. No, 344. All of you, please focus on 344. There's a state which is on the same latitude as that of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh. Yeah, it is on the same latitude as that of the Gujarat and MP. गुजरात और एमपी के इस पे है, सेम लैटिट्यूड पे है. 40 या 45% एरिया उसकी फॉरेस्ट एरिया है. ये वाइल्ड वाटर बफेलो है एंड इट्स ड्रेन्ड बाय रिहांद रिवर. 344 the answer is Chhattisgarh. The answer is Chhattisgarh. Yes, all of you, 344 the answer is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh lies on the same latitude as that of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Look at this question. Consider the following pair. Consider the following pair: national park and the rivers flowing through the park. And the river flowing through the park. Bandipur, Damodar. Think where is Bandipur? Think where is Damodar? Which state? Kebul Lamjao, Manas. Which state? Which state? Bhagwan Mahavir National Park. Which state? And Mandovi. Which state? So if you think of the state, you will at least be able to understand. 345. 345. 344, the answer was A for apple. A for apple. Correct. Three 45. The first one. Bandipur is in the state of Karnataka. Damodar is in the state of Jharkhand. So, and some parts of Bihar also, but then ठीक है Jharkhand. जो छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो को डिवाइड कर देती है. Therefore, one is definitely incorrect. One is definitely incorrect. One is definitely incorrect. Kebul Lamjao National Park. Kebul Lamjao National Park is in Meghalaya. Manas river is in Assam. So 2 is also incorrect. Bhagwan Mahavir National Park is in Goa. Mandovi is in Goa. Hence, Bhagwan Mahavir and Goa is the answer is 3 only. 345 D. Okay, in Goa you have another. Another national park in Goa is your Mollem National Park in Goa. On Mandovi River, you have a waterfall called as Dudhsagar waterfall. Dudhsagar waterfall. बांदीपुर से कौन सी रिवर पास होती है? रिवर काबिनी. बांदीपुर से रिवर काबिनी पास होती है. ठीक है. So the answer is 3 only. Kebul Lamjao. Kebul Lamjao is in Manipur. Yes, Kebul Lamjao is in. I'm so sorry. Yes, Kebul Lamjao is in Manipur, not Meghalaya. Kebul Lamjao is in Manipur, not Meghalaya. वो केबल लामजाओ नेशनल पार्क है, फ्लोटिंग नेशनल पार्क है, जिसमें आपका संगाई डियर भी मिलता है. इट इज देयर इन मणिपुर. यस यस, इट इज देयर इन मणिपुर. आई हैव रिटन मेघालय. इट इज देयर इन मणिपुर. Which of the following pair is or are correctly matched? Which of the following pair is or are correctly matched? Dam and river. Telaiya Dam, Hooghly River. हीराकुड डैम, महानदी रिवर. कोयना डैम, कावेरी रिवर. आपका कौन सा करेक्टली मैच है बताना है. तिलैया हुगली, हीराकुड महानदी and Koyna is in Kaveri. Tilaiya Dam, 346. तिलैया डैम किस पे? तिलैया डैम इज ऑन बराकर रिवर. बराकर river, which is a tributary of Damodar, which is a tributary of Damodar. In the state of Jharkhand, there is this Baraka river, जिसपे आपका तिलैया डैम. Tilaiya is not there on Hooghly, that's for sure. Tilaiya is not there for Hooghly. Hirakud there is on Mahanadi, yes. कोयना डैम कहाँ पे? कोयना डैम में अभी earthquake भी आए थे बहुत साल पहले. That is your reservoir induced seismicity. Maharashtra में there is a river called as Koina, which is a tributary of Krishna. So D is also incorrect. 3 is also incorrect. Hence the answer is what? Hence the answer is B. B for boy. Koina is on Koina river, tributary of Krishna, that is in Maha. All of you. हाँ ठीक है, भीमा की बोलो फिर जाके कृष्णा की बोलो, that's fine. ठीक है, कोयना रिवर पे, it's there on Koina river. With reference to the national park, consider the following statement. There is a national park which is bounded by river Banas in the north and in the south by Chambal river. It is under Project Tiger. There's a national park which is bounded by 2 rivers, Banas and Chambal. It is under Project Tiger. Which of the following national park has that feature? Bandhavgarh, Ranthambore, Kanha, Goramara National Park. Goramara National Park. Yes. Correct. Smiling Buddha, correct. Which one of the following national park above is one that is drained by Banas River and Chambal River? It is under Project Tiger. Three 347. The answer is what? 347. The answer is Ranthambore National Park. No. गोरामारा तो वेस्ट बंगाल में, that's true. गोरामारा तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि वो वेस्ट बंगाल में. कान्हा नहीं है. कान्हा is in माइकाल रेंज इन छत्तीसगढ़ के पास. कान्हा is in माइकाल रेंज इन छत्तीसगढ़. यहाँ पे बनास की बात हो रही है. बनास राजस्थान के पास है. राजस्थान में एक ही है रणथंबोर नेशनल पार्क. बांधवगढ़ भी एमपी में आएगा. ये एमपी में आएगा. ये छत्तीसगढ़ एमपी के पास आएगा. तो यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज बनास रिवर जो है वो राजस्थान में है. तो द आंसर इज व्हाट? रणथंबोर नेशनल पार्क. यस. ठीक है. So if I take into consideration, let's say rivers, this is Ganga, this is Yamuna. This is Ganga, this is Yamuna. That's fine, it's okay. यमुना को जाके मिलती है चंबल. यमुना को जाके मिलती है चंबल. चंबल सिंध बेतवा की. चंबल की एक ट्रिब्यूटरी है that is बनास. बनास is the only tributary of Chambal that comes from Aravali. Rest all the tributaries of Chambal, Kali Sindh, Parbati, Shipra, Kali Sindh, Shipra, Parbati. All of them are coming from where? All of them are coming from Vindhyas. जहां पे चंबल और यमुना मिलते हैं, and can anybody tell me, जहां चंबल और यमुना मिलते हैं वहां पे कौन सा नेशनल पार्क है? वहां पे कौन सा नेशनल पार्क है? जहां पे चंबल और यमुना मिलते हैं. Which national park do we have here? और जहां चंबल और बनास मिलते हैं वहां तो अभी हमने चेक कर लिया. बनास और चंबल के मिलने पे रणथंबोर है. और जहां चंबल और यमुना मिलते हैं वहां कौन सा नेशनल पार्क है? You have national चंबल सेंचुरी. जहां यमुना और चंबल मिलते हैं वहां पे यू हैव नेशनल चंबल सेंचुरी. Yes, and this national chambal sanctuary is famous for ghadial. It is famous for ghadial. Yes, Akshay. Yes, Priyanka. Very good. Ghadial. It is famous for ghadial. ठीक है, all of you. घड़ियाल नेशनल पार्क, ठीक है। अबे यू ट्राइड, ठीक है। घड़ियाल नेशनल पार्क नहीं है, नेशनल चंबल सेंचुरी, ठीक। आ जाओ, आपका बस चले तो आप डॉल्फिन नेशनल पार्क, सीवीड नेशनल पार्क ऐसे बना दें, ठीक है। ओके फाइन, अनिरुद्ध, दैट्स ओके। चलो आ जाओ, आगे बढ़ते हैं, जस्ट फॉर लिटिल फन, ठीक। थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई करते करते बीच में फन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग is the correct sequence of the occurrence of the mountains South India as one proceeds from north to south? If you are going from north to south, if you go from north to south, आप north to south जा रहे हो, you go from north to south, तो कैसे हिल जाएंगे? पालकोंडा, शिवरॉय, जेवड़ी, पालनी। पालकोंडा, जावड़ी, शिवरॉय, पालनी। The first one in the north is the in Tamil Nadu, sorry, in Andhra Pradesh. Somewhere at Andhra Pradesh, you have what? In Andhra Pradesh, you have Palakonda. Palakonda, Velikonda, Palakonda. This is somewhere there in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. If you take into consideration Javadi and Chevroy, Javadi and Chevroy, the first one that you have is Javadi. This is also in Tamil Nadu. This is also there in Tamil Nadu. And so this is one. So the first one is one. Then you have Javadi. Then you have Chevroy, Javadi, Chevroy. ये सब वेस्टर्न घाट्स के ऊपर है, नीलगिरी के ऊपर है। देन नीलगिरी के नीचे यू हैव अनामलाई एंड पालनी, सो यू हैव पालनी हियर, वी हैव पालनी हियर। 3, 2 and 4, the 3, 2 and hence the answer is what? Hence the answer is D for dog. D for dog. Yes. Palakonda, Javadi, Chevroy and Palani. Yes, smiling Buddha. D for dog, Akshay. D for dog, Priyanka. Siddharth. No, it's not Chevroy before. पहले Javadi है, then Chevroy. पहले Javadi है, then Chevroy. Always say like this, Javadi and Chevroy. ठीक है? So PJSP. Moving on. Moving on. 349. 349. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of occurrence of the following passes as one extends from east to west? So you are moving from east to west. You are moving from east to west. ईस्ट से लेके वेस्ट हम जा रहे हैं, तो करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ अकरेंस हमें चाहिए। बमला, दिफुपास, खारदुंगला, नथुंगला। So here, this is the passes, the places of passes where we'll be referring to. So first one, the most easternmost would be Difu Pass. Somewhere here you have your Difu Pass. Then you have 349. Yes, you're referring to 349. Then you have your Bamla, somewhere in Arunachal Pradesh only, which is close to Bhutan. You have your Bamla. Then towards Sikkim, you have Nathula. You have Nathula. Okay, Difu Pass tha. Difu Pass is 2. Bamla is 1. Then you have Nathula and you have Khardungla somewhere in Ladakh. Khardungla somewhere in Ladakh. This is there in Ladakh. So you have what? You have 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. The answer is what? The answer is C. The answer is C. Yes. 349. The answer is C. The Kodaikanal is the artificial lake on Palani. That is the important one. बाकी ठीक है, cities के नाम नहीं भी पता है, that is fine. But Kodaikanal artificial lake होता है Palani पे, that is important. We need not remember the name of cities as such. That's okay. The answer is 2143. 349. 2143. Moving on to question number. Moving on to question number 50. Kayal. Kayal. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. They form a distinguishing characteristics of Malabar coast. Every year, the famous Nehru Trophy Valami is held in Punamada Kayal in Kerala. Punamada Canal in Kerala. ठीक है? So distinguishing character होता है मलाबार कोस्ट का, और आपका Nehru Trophy Valamkali is there in this Kayal. Kayal जो backwater है. Consider the following statement. Which of them above is or are correct? 350. 350. 350. The answer is 350. The answer is 350. The answer is C. You look into कयाल. कयाल जो है वो मालाबार कोस्ट में कयाल है जिसको बैक वाटर करते हैं. ऐसे लगता है कि ओशन से वाटर बैक टू कोस्ट आ रहा है. Therefore called as back water. Okay, it is used for fishing, it is used for navigation, and also for tourism. There's every year there's a Nehru Trophy Valamkali boat race hota hai. That's the boat race that is there in Kerala. Okay. Now, yes, Kayals ke paas hota hai. Kayal is nothing but backwater. It is a backwater where the water seems to be coming from the Veminat ke paas bhi Kayal hota hai. Okay. Yes. Now, 351. 351. 351. Look at the question. The question is, consider the following pairs. Consider the following pairs. Consider the following pairs. Guru Shikhar Peak, Aravali Range, Barak, Patkai Bum, नोकरेक पीक, बरेल रेंज. तो आपको एक तरफ पीक दिया हुआ है और एक तरफ रेंज दी हुई कि कौन सा पीक कौन सी रेंज पे. गुरु शिखर पीक ऑन अरावली, नोकरेक पीक ऑन बरेल, बराक that is your in Patkai Bum. So there's a feature that has been given and you have to mention it with that of the hills. Which of the following is or are correctly matched? 1 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, 1, 2, 3. All of you. 351. 351. 351. Guru Shikhar Peak is on Aravali Range, Mount Abu के पास. That's a correct one. Nokrek Peak, if I take into consideration 3 को eliminate करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा क्योंकि Nokrek Peak किसके ऊपर है? Nokrek Peak is on which hills? It is there on Garo Hills, which is a part of Meghalayan Plateau. Which is a part of Meghalayan Plateau. ठीक है? This is a part of Meghalayan Plateau. 3 is definitely wrong. 3 is definitely wrong. 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. The answer is what? The answer is 1. जो बराक है वो नदी है. बराक नदी कहाँ से आती है? बराक रिवर is originating from, Barack river comes from Bareil range. It comes from Bareil range. Yes, it comes from Bareil range. Hence the answer is 1 only. The answer is 1 only. Yes. The answer is 1 only. 351. So Ankit, Priyanka, Siddharth, Abhay, you've given me the right answer. You've given me the right answer. All of you there. Let's move to 352. Let's move to 350. Consider the following statements about Biosphere Reserve in India. Biosphere Reserve के बारे में कुछ statements देखिए. ये जो Biosphere Reserve है इसकी varied topography है. Altitude from 250 meter to 2500 meter. It is a World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO. It holds the largest population of lion-tailed macaque. Lion-tailed macaque की largest population यहाँ पे. Which one of the following Biosphere Reserve is best described by the above features? कौन सी Biosphere Reserve की बात हो रही है जहाँ पे lion-tailed macaque मिलता है? Lion-tailed macaque is a monkey which has a lion tail. Tail होती है वो lion की जैसी. Monkey with a lion tail. 352. Where do we get lion-tailed macaque? This is the and World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Lion-tailed macaque is endemic to Western Ghat. ठीक है. तो वेस्टर्न घाट को एंडेमिक है। तो नंदा देवी कहाँ है? नंदा देवी इज इन उत्तराखंड, दिस गोस ऑफ। सिमलीपाल इज इन ओडिशा, दिस गोस ऑफ। अगस्थमलाई बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व और नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व और अगस्थमलाई बायोस्फीयर। द आंसर इज द आंसर इज आंसर इज नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व। द आंसर इज नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, यस, अकॉर्डिंग टू गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट। ठीक है, फाइन, ओके। बरेल रेंज से भी बोलते हैं मणिपुरी हिल्स। बरेल रेंज इज नथिंग बट an extension of the side of the hills, therefore you can say that. Agastyamalai biosphere reserve is not the answer. The answer is Nilgiri biosphere reserve, okay. The answer is the Nilgiri biosphere reserve. Nilgiri biosphere reserve was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2012. What are the national parks in Nilgiri biosphere reserve? Can anybody tell me? Nilgiri biosphere reserve में कौन से national parks हैं? What all national parks do we have? In Nilgiri biosphere reserve we have Mudumalai, Mukurti, we have Wayanad, and we have Manipur, Bandipur National Park. We have Bandipur National Park. So Bandipur National Park, Wayanad National Park, Mukurti National Park, and the important one. These are the important one that you have in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Biosphere Reserve में important national parks same. Mukurti, Madumalai, Bandipur, and the Wayanad National. Yes, Silent Valley, Mukurti. Yes. Okay. Can somebody tell me what are the national parks in Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve? Nagarhod bhi hai. Yes, Nagarhod is also there. Nagarhod is also there. Silent Valley bhi hai. Can somebody tell me what are the national park in Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve? What are the national parks in the Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve? This is given in your NCERT. Shendurni, Pepara, Bandipur तो कर्नाटका का है, नगरहोड भी कर्नाटका का है, ठीक है। नेशनल पार्क अगर हम अगस्थमलाई में देखें, अगस्थमलाई में नेशनल पार्क्स हैं पेपारा एंड शेंडुरनी, ठीक है। सो ये क्यों बता रहे? बिकॉज यूपीएससी ये वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, दोनों वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, अगस्थमलाई बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, आई एम सो सॉरी, अगस्थमलाई बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व एज वेल एज नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व पे क्वेश्चन पूछता है, ठीक है। दे आस्क क्वेश्चंस ऑन द अगस्थमलाई बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व एज वेल एज नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व। तो पेपारा, शेंडुरने, ठीक है, these are there. Yes, Nayar, correct. Nayar also is there. They've already asked this question before also. Nayar biosphere reserve, ठीक है। Pepara, Shendurne, and Nayar, and this is given in your NCERT too. ठीक है, कलक्कड़ मधुनथराई, ये सब अगस्थमलाई बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व का पार्ट। 4 मूविंग ऑन, this is an easy one. Which of the following, in which one of the following regions, you are most likely to found mosses and lichens? कहाँ पे mosses और lichens आपको मिलेंगे? Tundra vegetation, tropical evergreen forest, mangroves, temperate evergreen forest. It seems to be an easy one. Where you will find mosses and lichens? The answer is tundra vegetation. If I say about lichens are nothing but combination of algae and fungus. Yeah. So 353, answer is A. Into 354, which of the following pairs of islands are separated from each other by Great Channel? Great Channel किसको सेपरेट करता है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ द आइलैंड्स आर सेपरेटेड बाय ग्रेट चैनल? अंडमान निकोबार, निकोबार एंड सुमात्रा, अंडमान एंड कोको आइलैंड, लक्षद्वीप एंड मालदीव्स. लक्षद्वीप एंड मालदीव्स. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, Andaman and Nicobar are separated by what? They are separated by 10-degree channel. They are separated by 10-degree channel. Andaman and Coco Island. Andaman and Coco Islands, they are separated by Coco channel. They are separated by the Coco channel. Coco Island belongs to Myanmar. Okay? So, they are separated by Coco channel. This is this Coco channel. If I talk about Lakshadweep and Maldives, they are separated by, this is Andaman, this is your territory of Myanmar. तो ऊपर जो है ये है कोको चैनल. दिस इज द कोको चैनल. बीच में अंडमान और निकोबार के बीच में 10-degree चैनल. बिटवीन मालदीव्स एंड लक्षद्वीप you have 8-degree channel. We have 8-degree channel. So between Nicobar and Sumatra, what do you have? Between Nicobar and Sumatra, we have great channel. So the answer here is Nicobar and Sumatra. Answer the great channel है. Great channel. How can you give me answer as A, Ritvik? How can you give me answer as A? The answer is B. अंडमान निकोबार तो 10-degree channel से separated है. ठीक है, ऋत्विक, सिद्धांत, नो बच्चे, 10-degree channel अंडमान निकोबार को करता है. हम ग्रेट चैनल की बात करें. ग्रेट चैनल इज सेपरेटेड बाय निकोबार एंड सुमात्रा. निकोबार एंड सुमात्रा. अंडमान एंड कोको आर सेपरेटेड बाय कोको चैनल. वहां पे ऊपर. क्लियर? 354. The answer is 354. The answer is Nicobar and Sumatra. All of you, can I move on? 355. Consider the following pairs. Consider the following pairs. Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, and Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following shares border with Myanmar? म्यांमार के साथ कौन से स्टेट्स जो हैं वो बॉर्डर शेयर करते हैं? This is Myanmar. Which of the following state shares border with Myanmar? The following state shares border with. $355. 355. With respect to Myanmar, we have Aru, Na, Ma, Mi. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. So Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. The answer is what? The answer is D. 1, 2, and 4 only. 355. The answer is D. All of you, moving on to the next question. Consider the following statement about Hemis High Altitude National Park. Hemis High National Park. Hemis National Park. It's a high altitude national park in the upper Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. It has high density of snow leopard. There's a high density of snow leopard there. So Hemis High Altitude National Park या Hemis National Park कहाँ पे है और उसमें क्या स्नो लेपर्ड्स मिलते हैं? अरुणा मामी. करेक्ट ऋत्विक. ठीक है, बताइए about the Hemis High Altitude National Park. Is it there in Arunachal Pradesh? And does it have snow leopard? $356. 356. 356. Hemis High Altitude National Park is not there in Arunachal Pradesh. It is not there in Arunachal Pradesh. That is an incorrect statement. It has high density of snow leopard. That's a correct statement. Yes. The answer that you have is, so the following statement is or are correct. The answer that we have is true only. Okay. So it is the eastern Ladakh region. The eastern Ladakh region. Ladakh region में है. तो ये first वाला जो है वो गलत हो जाए. The answer is true only. Consider the following about an Indian river. Consider the following about an Indian river. It is known as Chandrabhaga. There is a river that is known as Chandrabhaga. The two of the stream they join at Tandi near Kelyong. Tandi के पास इसको मिलते हैं. ठीक है. Tandi के पास ये दो रिवर जाके मिलते हैं. ठीक है. It is there in Leh district of Ladakh. Yes, it is there in the Leh district of. So इंडियन रिवर्स के बारे में बताइए. चंद्रभागा, चंद्र और भागा. They are joined at Tandi near Kelyong. Which of the river is that? 357. It's an easy one. 357. It's an easy one. The answer is Chenab. The answer is Chenab. 350. The answer here is Chenab. चंद्र प्लस भागा दे मेकअप चेनाब. चेनाब सी से स्टार्ट होती है, बी पे खत्म होती है. चंद्र और भागा, ये सी इसका और बी का, ये क्या बना रहे हैं? चेनाब बना रहे हैं. याद करने के लिए बता रहे हैं. चेनाब इज मेड अप ऑफ चंद्र एंड भागा. एंड इज बोथ ऑफ देम आर जॉइंड एट टंडी नियर केलियोंग. दोनों केलियोंग के पास टंडी में जाके मिलते हैं, इसलिए चंद्रभागा को और क्या कहते हैं? therefore it is also known as lady of Keelong. It is also known as the lady of Keelong. इसको lady of Keelong भी कहते हैं. It is also known as the lady of. ठीक है. All of you there with me? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Consider the following statements. The westernmost point of India is located in Lakshadweep Islands. The easternmost point of India is located in Assam. The longitudinal and the latitudinal extent of India is 30 degree. No. The westernmost जो है, that is in Lakshadweep Islands. Easternmost जो है वो असम में है. Latitude and longitudinal extent of country is 30 degree. 358. 358. 358. All of you? Yes. Ankit, Siddharth, Vinod, Ritvik, Abhay. All of you. The answer is westernmost part is in the Lakshadweep. No. Easternmost part is in Assam. No. The eastern and the longitudinal and the latitudinal extent is about 30 degree. The answer is yes. The answer is 3 only. The answer is 3 only. ठीक है. So that's the answer there. Okay. So let us start off with the next question, that is 359. ये आपकी NCERT से लिया हुआ है. It is directly taken up from your NCERT. It is directly taken up from your NCERT. Yes, the westernmost point. Yes, the westernmost point is Gujarat. ये question बोला हुआ है. और easternmost point is Arunachal Pradesh. The answer is 3 only. This question number 359. It is directly taken from your NCERT. That is your Saddle Peak, Diavolo Peak, Koyob Mount and the Clear Mount. ठीक है, और आपको मैच करना है. ठीक है, तो अगर हम नॉर्थ टू साउथ बात करें, नॉर्थ अंडमान, मिडिल अंडमान, साउथ अंडमान, लिटिल अंडमान, वी हैव कार निकोबार, लिटिल निकोबार, ग्रेट निकोबार. ये आपका नॉर्थ टू साउथ होता है. अंडमान निकोबार नॉर्थ टू साउथ कैसे अरेंज होता है? नॉर्थ, मिडिल, साउथ, लिटिल. North, middle, south, little. Then you have 10-degree channel, and then you have car, little, great. Little, car, little, great. Now, in which of the places, which all peak do you have? That's what you have to match. Saddle Peak कहाँ पे है? Saddle Peak कहाँ पे है? Diavolo Peak कहाँ पे है? Koyob Peak कहाँ पे है? And Mount Thulier कहाँ पे है? If you take into consideration Saddle Peak, yes, very good. Ankit, I'm okay, good one. Ankit, fine. All of you. Saddle Peak is in North Andaman. Saddle Peak is in North Andaman. Diavolo Peak is so North Andaman. You have Saddle Peak, North Saddle. ठीक है. मिडिल अंडमान में आपका, मिडिल अंडमान में दिया है. दियावोलो इज इन मिडिल अंडमान. दियावोलो. कोयोब की अगर हम बात करें, कोयोब जो है वो साउथ में, तो एसडी के. ठीक है. देन यू हैव थुलियर. थुलियर इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव ऑन दी ग्रेट निकोबार. सबसे लास्ट में क्या है? हियर. व्हाट डू यू हैव? सैडल पीक, then you have your Diavolo Peak, then you have your Koyob Peak, and then you have your Great Nicobar. So the answer is what? The answer is D. SDK. SDK and last में आपका क्या है? Last में आपका T है. Last में आपका. तो yes, that's the short form there. SDK and last में T. Can you do this question? Question number 360. To which of the, yes, Ankit, Abhay, rock, नहीं, rock answer is not B. Answer B नहीं, 3142 नहीं है, 3142 नहीं. All of you there. Let's start off with question number 360. To which of the following islands, archipelagos, do the islets of Labyrinth Island and Ritchie's archipelago belong to? Labyrinth Island और Ritchie's archipelago किसको belong करते हैं? बस यही दो पता थे मैम. अच्छा, इट्स देयर इन एनसीईआरटी. दिया हुआ है एनसीईआरटी में, एक टेबल बनी हुई है और उसमें आपकी क्लास 11th एनसीईआरटी में ये दिया हुआ है. पीक भी दिया हुआ है और रीजन भी दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. और लैब्रिंथ आर्किपेलागो और रिचीज आर्किपेलागो के बारे में भी क्लास 11th की जो एनसीईआरटी है उसमें दिया हुआ है. ओके. 360 की बात चल रही है. बताओ, लैब्रिंथ आर्किपेलागो और रिचीज आर्किपेलागो के बारे में बात करें तो इट्स अबाउट अंडमान निकोबार में है, गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार में है, लक्षद्वीप में है, या मुंबई हार्बर पे. वेयर डू वी हैव दिस? ठीक है. यस, ऑल ऑफ यू बताइए. सिद्धार्थ, अभय, अंकित, एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल. आई थिंक एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल इज नॉट देयर. ऋत्विक, विनोद, रॉक, थ्री सिक्सटी. The answer is Andaman and Nicobar. The answer is Andaman and Nicobar. ठीक है. So So we had Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands have been divided into Labyrinth Island and Ruchis Archipelago. Okay, all of you clear? It is divided into Ruchis Archipelago and Labyrinth Island. This is an easy one. बताओ, ये बहुत easy question है. 361. Match the list 1 with list 2. Match करें list 1 को list 2 के साथ match करें. Match list 1 with list 2. Mahogany, शीशम, walnut, juniper. Mahogany, शीशम, walnut, juniper. Mahogany, शीशम, walnut and juniper. आपको किससे मैच करना है? ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडस, हिमालयन मॉइस्ट, एल्पाइन या ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन. ठीक है, तो A, B, C and D. Which of the following are tropical deciduous? Which of the following is tropical deciduous? Which of the following is alpine? Which is tropical evergreen? Which is Himalayan moist? So 361. 361. Okay, Ankit, I get your answer. Mahogany is tropical evergreen. Mahogany is tropical evergreen. Shisham is tropical deciduous. Shisham is tropical deciduous. If I say walnut, walnut is alpine in nature. Walnut is no. Juniper is alpine in nature. Juniper is alpine in nature. That's this one. And walnut is Himalayan moist. Walnut refers to Himalayan. The answer is 4, 1, 2 and 3. The answer is A. 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Yes. Ankit, Ritvik, Siddharth, Abhay. Yes, the answer is. Which of the following are tropical evergreen forest के कुछ नाम बताओ. Tropical evergreen forest trees के नाम बताएं. कौन से tropical evergreen forest है? कौन से tropical evergreen forest है? You have ebony, mahogany, rosewood. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood, चिंचोना, ये सब आपके ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन. डेसिडुअस ट्रीज के नाम कौन से हैं? यू हैव टीक, यू हैव साल, यू हैव शीशम. इफ आई से अबाउट alpine, the alpine are yes, rubber also, correctly, rubber also, rosewood also. If I say alpine, in alpine you have silver fir, juniper, pine, birch. ये है. Himalayan moist अगर हम बात करें तो walnut is an example. So the answer is what? The answer is A. Teak, sal, shisham, deciduous. Correct. Looking at question number 362. Which of the following river does not constitute a part of inland drainage of India? Inland drainage नहीं होता जिसका. किसका है? कौन सी रिवर है जो अंदर नहीं बहती है? Inland जाके नहीं बहती. Which of the following river does not constitute a part of inland drainage of India? लूनी, बनास, माही, गग्गर. कौन जाके ओशन को जाके मिलती है? Which of the following meets the ocean? Which of the following meets the ocean? Which of the following meets the ocean? That's the right understanding, ना? Not a part of inland. तो कौन सा जाके ocean को मिलती है? घग्गर, लूनी, बनास, माही. घग्गर, लूनी, बनास, माही. The answer is 362. The answer is, come on, A, C, D. नहीं, ये तो बहुत easy है. ये वाला तो बहुत easy है. घग्गर, लूनी, बनास. कौन सी जाके ओशन को मिलती है? If I make the map of India, we take into consideration the map of India. Here you have घग्गर रिवर. घग्गर तो अंदर ही ड्रेन हो जाती है. लूनी रिवर भी कच्छ, रन ऑफ कच्छ के पास आके ड्रेन कर जाती है। आपकी बनास है जो जाके चंबल को जाके मिलती है। एक माही ही है जो जाके ड्रेन करती है ओशन में। माही ड्रेन्स वेयर? माही ड्रेन्स इन द गल्फ ऑफ खंबत। Mahi drains in the Gulf of Kambal. So what is the answer? The answer here is not part of the inland drainage, that is Mahi River. Clear all of you? Now let's look at this. Which of the following is tributaries are the part of Indus Basin? Indus Basin का कौन-कौन part है? Which of the following is a part of Indus Basin? We have Zaskar, Nubra, Shyok and Ramganga. Zaskar, Nubra, Shyok and Ramganga. Which of the following is a part of the Indus Basin? इंदस या इंदस की कोई ट्रिब्यूटरीज को जाके मिलती है, कौन सा है वो पार्ट? कौन सा है वो? थ्री सिक्सटी थ्री। जस्कर, नुब्रा, शोक एंड राम। जस्कर, नुब्रा, शोक एंड राम। We have seen if this is your Indus River, if this is the Indus River that flows through Ladakh and Kashmir. Here you have your Shyok coming and joining Indus. Nubra comes and joins Shyok. You have Zaskar joining the river Indus. So Zaskar, Nubra और Shyok ये सब Indus का part है. Ram Ganga is a part of Ganga river. If I talk about the tributaries of Indus, the tributaries of Indus are Shyok, Gilgit, Zaskar, Suru. These are the tributaries of Indus. You have Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. Byas and Satluj. And ये सब जाके पंजनाड़ बनाती हैं. पंजनाड़, पंजनाड़ वो जाके इंदस को जाके. So the answer is what? The answer is Ram Ganga is not a tributary of Indus Basin. Is not a tributary of Indus. ठीक है. The riverine island Majuli is situated in which of the following rivers? ये जो riverine island Majuli है वो कौन सी rivers पे situated है? Situated in which of the following rivers? Dibang, Lohit, Brahmaputra और Teesta. The riverine island Majuli is situated in which of the following rivers? You have Dibang, you have Lohit, you have Brahmaputra, you have Teesta. Majuli किस river में situated है? This is your river. इसके बीच में एक inland island है. Inland island. The answer is 364. The answer is Teesta, Brahmaputra. No, the answer is Brahmaputra. The answer is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra कैसे riverine islands बनाती है? Suppose there is a river. ये river sediment को deposit कर देगी. अब river जो ऐसे flow हो रही थी, अब वो distribute हो जाएगी ऐसे. अब आगे जाके फिर ये island यहाँ पे deposit करेगी. फिर ये जो ऐसे flow हो रही थी ये distribute हो जाएगी. फिर ये ऐसे जाके island जो बना रही थी, फिर ये जाके ऐसे distribute हो जाएगी. तो ये क्या बन गया? ये बन गया है आपका riverine island. ये कहाँ बन गया है? riverine. So what is this? The answer is Brahmaputra. One of the important riverine island is Majuri. यहाँ पे आपका ब्रह्मपुत्र बायोडाइवर्सिटी बोर्ड भी है. There is this Brahmaputra biodiversity. Brahmaputra biodiversity board. In which of the following hills is Mohsin Ram? In which of the following hill is Mohsin Ram the wettest place or on the earth situated? कौन सी hill पे Mohsin Ram? ये wettest placed है. It is there in Meghalaya, but which hills? Which hills is it located? Is it located on Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, गारो, खासी, जयंतिया एंड मीर। गारो, खासी, जयंतिया और मीर। गारो, खासी, जयंतिया और मीर। It is there on which? It is there on which hills? Yes. It is there on Khasi Hills. It is there on Khasi Hills. 365. It is there on Khasi Hills. Khasi Hills पे मौसम राम. गारो पे peak कौन सा है? Anybody? What peak is there on Garo? We have Nokrek peak. What? Which you have Mausin Ram at Khasi. And you also have what? शिलोंग. जो शिलोंग है, जो कैपिटल है, वो भी खासी पे. तो शिलोंग कैपिटल भी खासी पे है, और उसी से 65 किलोमीटर दूर ही आपका मौसिन राम है. 65 किलोमीटर दूर मौसिन राम. So that is also there on Khasi. So Shillong is on Khasi and Mausin Ram is also on Khasi. Can you look at this question? Can you look at this question? With reference to Sundari, a dominant mangrove tree species of Sundarban, consider the following statement. It is highly valued for its timber. IUCN has assessed it as being endangered. ये endangered है as per IUCN, और ये अपने टिम्बर के लिए बहुत फेमस है. With reference to the सुंदरी ट्री, हम सुंदरी ट्री के बारे में बात कर. With reference to सुंदरी ट्री, we are referring to the trees that is there mangrove, जिसके नाम से सुंदरबन रखा गया है. Sundarban is based on the name of Sundari trees. It is highly valued for its timber, and IUCN has called it as an endangered species. Which of the following statement given is or are correct? Which of the following is or are correct? The answer is C. Both of them are correct. Both of them are correct. Okay. So Mausin Ram, Sundari trees. Basically, it is belong to mangrove tree. उसके बहुत और भी कॉमन नेम है, सुंदर, सुंदरी, ठीक है, जेगा, नाजो. सुंदरबंस के मिलते हैं. सुंदरबंस में 70% जो सुंदरबंस होता है, 70% इज मेड अप ऑफ सुंदरी ट्रीज. इज मेड अप ऑफ सुंदरी ट्रीज. ये बहुत थ्रेटेंड है, ये एंडेंजर्ड है, ये थ्रेटेंड की गई हुई है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी ओवर हार्वेस्टिंग, इट हैज बीन ओवर हार्वेस्टेड. देयर इज फ्लक्चुएशन इन सैलिनिटी. There is fluctuation in salinity. ठीक है. Therefore, it has been called by as an endangered species. The answer is 66. The answer is C, rock. It has been classified as endangered. Now, let's look at this question. 367. 367. The Indian drainage system is an outcome of which of the following factor? We have Indian drainage pattern. We know the flow of Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Tapi, Kaveri, Krishna. ये सब अलग अलग तरीके से फ्लो करते हैं. ये किसके ऊपर बेस्ड है? जियोलॉजिकल टाइम पीरियड, नेचर एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रॉक. किस किस चीजों से इन्फ्लुएंस्ड है? जियोलॉजिकल टाइम पीरियड, नेचर एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रॉक, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वाटर, ग्रेडियंट, amount and periodicity of the water flow, topography. They're influenced by what all factors? Geological time period, nature and structure of rocks, chemical property of water, gradient, amount and periodicity of water flow, and topography. The answer is, does geological time period affects? Yes. The older river, they keep on following their own path. The older river, they keep on following their own path. Some of you have said what? D. नहीं, ढंग से पढ़ लो पहले बच्चे. जियोलॉजिकल टाइम पीरियड कैसे इफेक्ट करता है? रिवर कंटिन्यू फॉलोइंग इट्स ओन. ये सही है. नेचर एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रॉक्स, ऑब्वियसली जैसे डेंड्रियाटिक पैटर्न बनता है, सॉफ्ट रॉक्स में, सॉफ्ट अलूवियल रॉक्स पे। केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वाटर इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं करता है, 3 इज रॉन्ग, 3 is wrong. Chemical property of water does not influence. Gradient, yes, the river tends to follow slope. ऐसी river को आप subsequent river कहते हो जो slope को follow करती है, या consequent river कहते हो जो slope को follow करती है, consequent river. Periodicity of flow, yes, that affects drainage pattern. फिर कितना flow है, कहाँ तक flow होता है. Topography, yes, हमने superimpose topography देखी है, हिमालयाज की अलग है, peninsular plateau की अलग है. So the answer is what? The answer is B. 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. D नहीं अंकित. Siddharth, Jagruti, Kapil, Ritvik. That's the correct one. Can we do this question? 368. Consider the following pairs. National Park and state. So we have what? We have Betila National Park, Chhattisgarh में. Banerghatta National Park, तेलंगाना में. नहीं, लाइमस्टोन पे ही केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी वर्क करेगा अंकित. क्या वाटर का केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी में आप डिफरेंट रॉक व्हाइल मूविंग? जनरली केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ओनली अफेक्ट सॉफ्ट रॉक, सो दैट इज नॉट अ मेजर वन. इरोजन तो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी के बिना भी होगा, so that is not a major criteria कि वो हमारे पैटर्न को ही, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम को, उसका आउटकम उसकी वजह से, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम आउटकम उसकी वजह से हो, that might not be the, that is not the major criteria. 368. Betla National Park, state is Chhattisgarh. Orang National Park, Nagaland. Banerghatta National Park, Telangana. Which of the following is or are correctly matched? Okay. Siddharth, Sumanta, Kapil Chand, I get your answer. Where is Betla National Park? Betla National Park is in Jharkhand. Betla National Park is in Jharkhand. Where is Banerghatta National Park? Banerghatta National Park is in Karnataka. Where is Orang National Park? It is also known as Mini Kaziranga. इस पे काफी सारे राइनोस मिलते हैं, यहाँ पे भी ओरांग पे. ओरांग को मिनी काजीरंगा भी कहते हैं. ब्रह्मपुत्र के साइड में, ब्रह्मपुत्र यहाँ से पास होती है ओरांग से. ब्रह्मपुत्र passes from Orang. Mini Kaziranga. It is there in Assam. It is not there in Nagaland. This is not there in Telangana. This is not there in Chhattisgarh. The answer is what? None of them have been correctly matched. कोई भी correctly matched नहीं. Now, look at this question. Question number 369. Which of the following is or are correctly matched? Mullaperiyar, Polavaram, Kishan Ganga, Baglihar. River, Mulayar, Krishna, Jhelum, Indus. क्या मुलई परियार डैम मुलाया रिवर पे है? क्या पोलावरम कृष्णा पे है? क्या किशन गंगा झेलम पे है? क्या बगलीहार इंदस पे है? Do we have Baglihar on Indus? Yes. Yeah, Pobitaro is also called, and even this is also called. Even Orang is also called as Mini Kaziranga. ठीक है, जहां ज्यादा राइनो दिख जाते हैं, ठीक है, उसको आप मिनी काजीरंगा बोलते हैं. ओरांग को भी कहते हैं मिनी काजीरंगा. थ्री सिक्सटी नाइन. Mulla Periyar. You think it's on Periyar River? There are two rivers, Mula River and Periyar River. दो rivers हैं सिद्धार्थ. There are two rivers, Mula River and Periyar River. So it is at both Mula. It is at Mulayar River and at Periyar River. इसलिए उसका नाम क्या पड़ा है? मुला पेरियार. मुलायार रिवर एज वेल एज पेरियार रिवर को कंबाइन करके उसका नाम पड़ा है. Therefore, the first option is correct. The first option is correct. तो सिद्धार्थ आपने डी उसके हिसाब से बोला था. नहीं. पोलावरम किस पे? पोलावरम इज इन 369 की हम बात कर रहे हैं. आपने डी बोला है, अंकित बोला आपने. ठीक है. Polavaram Dam is in. Polavaram Dam is not on Krishna. Polavaram Dam is on Godavari River. It is there on Godavari River. ठीक है, that's wrong. Kishan Ganga. Kishan Ganga is there on Kishan Ganga River. किशन गंगा जो ट्रिब्यूटरी है किशन गंगा पे है, झेलम पे नहीं है. किशन गंगा पे. बगलीहार किस पे है? बगलीहार चिनाब पे है. बगलीहार भी इंदस पे नहीं है. बगलीहार. तो 4 इज रॉन्ग. किशन गंगा. ठीक है, आप फिर भी बेस कर सकते हो झेलम का, तो क्योंकि वो बेस कर सकते हैं हम. बगलीहार जो है वो है चिनाब पे. बगलीहार जो है वो है चिनाब रिवर पे. बगलीहार इज देयर बेसिकली किशन गंगा पे है. किशन गंगा डैम किशन गंगा रिवर पे. और बगलीहार जो है वो है चिनाब पे. ठीक है. सो हियर द आंसर शुड बी व्हाट? द आंसर शुड बी बी. बी. झेलम वाला मैच करता है. द आंसर इज 1 एंड. सो इट्स मुला मुलियार प्लस पेरियार पोलावरम ऑन दिस. किशन गंगा इज दिस वन ऑन किशन गंगा. ठीक है. So that's the answer there. हाँ yes, so ठीक है. किशन गंगा is a tributary of Jhelum only. किशन गंगा is a tributary of Jhelum only. ठीक है, you can say that way. ठीक है. Now look at this. This is a question. It is talking about the vegetation in Africa. It is talking about vegetation in Africa. So when I say vegetation in Africa, you are proceeding, you are starting from Algeria. I hope all of you understand where is Algeria in Africa. Vegetation in Africa की बात करें and कह रहे हैं कि आप अल्जीरिया के पास हो. आपको करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ अकरेंस बताना है. You have to tell us the correct sequence of occurrence of the following vegetation types in Africa. ठीक है. Of the correct vegetation type in Africa. As one proceeds from north to south. As you move from north to south, from the northern coast, okay, from the northern coast you are moving from north to south, you have to tell what is the correct sequence of the vegetation. यहाँ से आपका इक्वेटर जाता है, यहाँ से आपका ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर जाता है, यहाँ से आपका ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न जाता है. You are starting from Algeria and you have to move north to south. What would be the correct sequence of the vegetation? ये application based question. You have to apply. You have to apply and you have to have an idea of mapping also. Mapping और application का बात करें तो सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? सबसे पहले आएगा यहाँ पे है अल्जीरिया. यू हैव अल्जीरिया हियर. तो सबसे पहले कौन सी वेजिटेशन आएगी? सबसे पहले आएगी मेडिटेरेनियन वेजिटेशन. ठीक है. देन व्हाट यू हैव? इक्वेटर के पास ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर के पास हो. ठीक है. ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर के पास है ना. So you will have what? You will have the desert vegetation. The second one will be desert vegetation. Then उसके बाद क्या होगा? जैसे इक्वेटर के पास जाओगे थोड़ा सवाना आएगा और फिर इक्वेटर के पास जाओगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? इक्वेटर के पास आ जाएगा ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. Tropical rain forest. So it starts off with what? It starts off with Mediterranean core. Then you move on to desert. Then you move on to the savanna. And then you move on to this. So the correct answer is what? The correct answer is 4, 1, 3 and 2. The correct answer is 4, 1, 3 and 2. Yes. हाँ रॉक सही कह रहे हो आप कि कॉर्बेट के लिए गंगा गलत दिया था, बूढ़ी गंडक भी गलत दिया हुआ है. बट यहाँ पे बेटर कौन सा था? आपको ऑप्शंस को ध्यान रखना होता है और ऑप्शंस के हिसाब से आपको सॉल्व करना होता है. यहाँ पे बेटर 1 and 3 ही था. यहाँ पे बेटर 1 and 3 ही था. ठीक है. You have to take into consideration option and then say. Okay, so here the answer is what? The answer is C. 1 plus 4, 1, 3 and 2. All of you there? All of you there? नहीं, it's not answer. The answer is not D. The answer is C, बच्चे. C for cat. C for cat. The answer is C for cat. Savannah is found on Africa, Botswana, Namibia. So Savannah should be in the last. बच्चे, Savannah is tropical grasslands, no? तो वो आपको साहिल के नीचे मिलेगा ना. देखो, अगर हम इसकी बात करें, इक्वेटोरियल यू हैव वेट कंडीशंस, डेजर्ट यू हैव ड्राई कंडीशंस. एक तरफ आपका घना फॉरेस्ट है और एक तरफ आपका डेजर्ट है, बिल्कुल ड्राई है. तो बीच में क्या मिलेगा? तो बीच में क्या मिलेगा? एक तरफ आपका घना फॉरेस्ट है, दिस वन, द पिंक कलर, घना फॉरेस्ट है, और एक तरफ आपका एग्जैक्टली डेजर्ट है. तो क्या बीच में ग्रासलैंड्स नहीं मिलेंगे? तो बीच में ग्रासलैंड्स नहीं मिलेंगे. Will you not get grasslands? You will get grasslands south also, but you will get grasslands in the north also. No? Think about it. No, transitions also. पहले आपको पहले आपको मेडिटेरेनियन मिल रहा है, फिर उसके बाद आपका डेजर्ट आ रहा है, सहारा डेजर्ट. तो ऑब्वियसली डेजर्ट के बाद और इक्वेटोरियल बीच में सवाना मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. राइट अंकिल? सिद्धार्थ सेज मैम आज इतना ही करते हैं. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव यू गिवन अप? हैव यू गिवन अप? मैपिंग कैन बी अ लिटिल ट्रिकियर, आई नो. मैपिंग थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी होता है, काफी फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, काफी फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. बट वी ट्राई टू पुट इन एप्लीकेशन. मैपिंग किया है, डैम किया है, रिवर्स की हैं, स्टेट्स की हमने देखा था. जैसे आपको ये पता पड़ा, हिमाचल प्रदेश इज इन अलाइनमेंट विथ यूपी. मेनी ऑफ यू वर फर्स्ट मूविंग टू उत्तराखंड एंड देन मूविंग टू यूपी. एटलीस्ट हमने एप्लीकेशन बुट बेस्ड करने की कोशिश की है. All of you there with me? Yes or no? Or all of you did you get the assignment? Did you get the assignment? That's not रॉक. ऐसे ट्रिक्स मत बनाओ. रॉक्स ये बहुत ब्लेटेंट है, ये बहुत गलत, आपको हेल्प नहीं करेगा. ऐसे मत बनाओ ट्रिक्स, ठीक है? Have you got the assignment 211 to 300? Yes or no? Did you get the answers also? An explanation also? Did any of you solve that? Did anybody of you solve that? Do we have any doubt with respect to that? Do we have doubt with respect to that? सॉल्व किया है क्या? नहीं किया है? बताओ. You've got Vinod, Rahul, Jagruti, Siddhant. Did you solve? That's a bigger question. Did you solve? Saw it at 5. Did not solve. Will you solve tomorrow? Will you solve today? आज इसको सॉल्व करके रखोगे? Siddhant, Siddharth, you have solved some of them. Siddharth, you solved some. Do you want to discuss something? आज सॉल्व करेंगे. प्लीज एक्सप्लेन क्वेश्चन 2113. ओके, let me get that. Let me get that for you. ठीक है, 213 बोल रहे हैं. 1 minute, I'll just upload the assignment. In 1 minute, I'll just open up the assignment for you. Okay, all of you. I hope you will be able to see the assignment. I hope you're able to see the assignment. So some of you would discuss, some of you want me to discuss question number 213. So 213. Which of the, अच्छा, Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch, ये तो बहुत सिंपल है, इसमें कुछ ज्यादा टफ नहीं है. So let me just see. I marked only two. हाँ बच्चे, मैं वही कह रही हूँ, आपको ऑप्शंस देखने पड़ेंगे ना. Okay, okay. Rahul says no. Piyush says no. Okay. You will get it done by tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll get it done. Okay. In the meanwhile, somebody has done question number 213. Let me just take question number 213. So here you have branches. The question. Let us read the question first. Which of the following branches of southwestern monsoon? Which of the following branches of southwestern monsoon is or are responsible for causing rainfall in western Himalayas? Western Himalayas में कौन सी cause करते हैं? So if I take into consideration, ये होती है Arabian Sea branch. This is Arabian Sea branch, and this is Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch तीन जगह से इंडिया में अंदर आती है. One is towards Aravalli, one is towards Narmada Tapi, and one is towards Palghat Gap. So Aravalli, मतलब basically your साबरमती माही की गैप है, वहां से साबरमती माही गैप. You have Narmada Tapi gap and you have Palakkad gap. From it enters. Okay. And here you have Bay of Bengal branch moving like this. Bay of Bengal branch gets divided, bifurcated into two. One is towards the northeast and other gets pulled up here. It gets pulled up here towards the low pressure. While meeting at the foothills of Himalayas, both of the branches, they combine together. Both of them combine together to give rainfall at Himalayas. So answer is what? 213. What is the answer for 213? Which of the following branches causes rainfall in the foothills of Himalayas or the western Himalayas? दोनों मिल जाती हैं. दोनों मिल जाती है, इसलिए क्या करती हैं वो वेस्टर्न हिमालयस में बारिश देती है. आप समझ रहे हो ये बात? 213. सिद्धार्थ, आंसर शुड बी व्हाट? 213. Both of them are combined together. The answer is C. Both 1 and 2. You want me to discuss 212 also? What is ITCZ? ITCZ is a low pressure zone. It is not a high pressure zone. So one is wrong. ITCZ is a low pressure zone. It was a simple one. 212. 212. I think it was a simple one. ITCZ is what? Intertropical convergence zone. The winds tend to converge there. So if the wind will converge from what? High pressure to low pressure. High pressure to low pressure. So ITCZ is a low pressure zone. It's not a high pressure zone. Piyush, is it fine? What else? 232 and 233. 232 and 233. Let me take 232 and 233. 232 and 233. 232 is a UPSC previous year question. It is a UPSC previous year question, which is of 2017. Which of the following are possible consequences of heavy sand mining in the riverbed? This is your riverbed. This is the riverbed. Okay, this is the way your river is flowing. This is the way your river is flowing. The river has small sediments. The river has small sediments. If you sand has a lot of sand, the river has a lot of sand. When you do sand mining, what is the consequence? What is the consequence? If you what does, so पहले अगर आप इसको हटाते हो और consequence समझना होता है, तो consequence समझते हैं तो पहले इसका role समझ लो. Sand करता क्या है? What does the sand do? If you understand the role, you will understand if I remove it, what is the consequence? So what is the role that played by the sand in the river? What does the sand in the river do? The sand in the river tries to filter, it absorbs the nutrients, it sticks the nutrients to it, and it tries to filter the water. It tries to filter the water. Sand filter, sandpaper ऐसे चिपका हुआ रहता है sand, तो उससे क्या होगा? Pollutants अटक जाएंगे और पानी फ्रेश वाटर नीचे जाएगा. तो अगर सैंड को हटा दोगे तो पोल्यूशन हो जाएगा ग्राउंड वाटर. सैंड क्या करता है? अलाउ करता है वाटर को नीचे जाना. सो उससे क्या होगा? ग्राउंड वाटर रिचार्ज होता है. अगर सैंड को हटा दोगे तो वाटर टेबल का लो आएगा. there will be lowering of the water table. ठीक है. Sand does not have a role in contribution to the salinity of the river. River को salinity, तो एक तो river की salinity कम होती है, river की कम होती है, और river को salinity मिलती है rocks से, जो rocks के जो chemicals होते हैं उस river को salinity. So sand does not have a major role to play in the salinity of the river. The first one is wrong. First one is wrong. But the answer is 2 and 3. 232. The answer is B. Yes. Okay. Did you understand this part? 233. 233. This is an easy one. This is also an easy one now. Organic matter. Organic matter is humus. Humus sticking. The humus that is sticking in a soil. In a soil there is humus. There is organic matter. Organic matter is leaf. Decomposed leaf. Decomposed litter. It allows the water to hold more water. Decomposed होता है, पानी ज्यादा hold करता है, humus अच्छा होता है, organic matter अच्छा होता है. So will it decrease with reference to agriculture soil? A high content of organic matter soil in the soil decreases the water holding capacity? No, it is sticky. It will hold more water. So first one is wrong. When the first one is wrong, you get the answer in front of you. This is also UPSC question. This is also UPSC question. और ऐसे statement that is sulfur cycle में soil का कोई role ही नहीं है. It's a very it's there because sulfur is a gaseous phase में होता है. Sulfur generally वो H2SO4 वाला होता है. पहला वाला statement तो गलत है. ठीक है? The answer is what? The answer is 2 and 3. 233. The answer is 2 and 3 only. Brijesh Reddy, is it clear? Brijesh Reddy. The primary reason for sulfur is gaseous form. All of you, do you have any other doubt? Do you have any other doubt? कि आपने solve भी नहीं किया, and you will solve by tomorrow and come. You will solve tomorrow and come. Do you want me to discuss something more? In 232, the water table should increase because sand mining results in desilting too. बच्चे अगर sand mining desilting होगी, अगर desilting होगी तो water table increase क्यों होना चाहिए? Sand mining से, हाँ आप बोल रहे हो कि sand mining से रेती कम हो जाएगी. ये नदी है, ये नदी है, नदी में sand है. अब आपने इस sand को इतने से कम कर दिया, तो कम कर दिया आपने, उसकी लेंथ को कम, इसका साइज को कम कर दिया, ये ऐसे से ऐसे होगा, तो क्या होगा? ग्राउंड वाटर टेबल, why should the water table should increase? क्योंकि डीसिल्टिंग हो गई. I did not understand. There is no relation like this. समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्यों कह रहे हो कि कैसे, why, what is the logic? पानी तो नीचे जाएगा ही ना, पानी तो नीचे जाएगा ही ना. How do you explain? If you explain, then I can tell you कि गलत क्यों हो रहा है. Tell me, why are you saying this? Why? Okay, then tomorrow you will solve this tomorrow. Okay, then we will solve. We will continue tomorrow. All of you. You will further get assignment for 30 question. You will get this tomorrow morning only. Morning by, I think by 12 o'clock you should get this. Further 30 questions. आप वो भी solve करेंगे. So tomorrow we will wind up. Tomorrow we will wind up. So you will have. आप आज अभी assignment complete करेंगे जो क्वेश्चन है 201 से 300 तक। आज के जो 30 क्वेश्चन है वो भी आप असाइनमेंट पे करेंगे, एंड देन टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस द असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस as well as we will discuss the 100 questions that we have for the day. ठीक है, all of you, thank you so much, thank you for being patient. Piyush, Bhagirath, Brijesh, Education for All, Jagruti, Siddharth, Rock, Sumanta, Ankit, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Volume of water, Brijesh. Volume of water does not depend on the sand content or not. पानी ज्यादा होगा कि नहीं होगा, वो डिपेंड ज्यादा करेगा कि वो डिपेंड ज्यादा करेगा कि बारिश कितनी हो रही है। ठीक है, नदी पूरी कैपेसिटी पे ही चलती है, कैपेसिटी कम से नहीं चलती है। ठीक है, तो बारिश होगी नहीं होगी उससे ज्यादा रिलेशन सही है कि वाटर टेबल कम हो जाएगा। रन ऑफ भी तो बढ़ सकता है, रन ऑफ भी तो बढ़ सकता है। व्हाई आर यू नॉट थिंकिंग लाइक दैट, नीचे ही क्यों जा रहा है? ठीक है, so that way also you can think of. Okay, all of you, I'll continue tomorrow. You will get 30 more questions. You'll solve those also tomorrow, and then we'll discuss those questions as well as we'll discuss the 100 questions. Thank you so much.